Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? Let's get it. So you see, so far overnight, we're just kind of hanging out up here near these highs. If we look at the ES, big push up yesterday, just kind of consolidating up here near these highs, which talked about that last night. I kind of think that's going to be the MO for a majority of the day, just kind of forming a D-shaped profile. Overnight, we've only had a 29-point range. It's not very much. We look at the NASDAQ, 213-point range. That's nothing compared to what we have been getting. So we'll see. We'll see how this all going to shake out today. We have this upper level consolidation. Is this going to resolve to even higher prices? Let's see. I mean, that's quite the rip we had yesterday. No doubt about it. They were ripping. Ooh, I forgot to do something. Uh-oh. Let me go ahead and smash it. Smash that like button. Will be number 12. So 300 likes. We're gonna do that Take Profit Trader Count giveaway today. We didn't get it yesterday. We didn't get the like counter last night. I think last night we missed it by 20 likes. Can't remember how much we missed it for yesterday, but we'll see if we can get up there and get it. Can we get it? Put that there. All right. Hey, Raj, good morning. So I'm still in that one micro from last night. Did not hit my target. And I'm feeling a little froggy, so I'm going to add to it. Last night on the stream, which I just now added to it. Last night on the stream, we were talking about, I think there's a very high probability we're going to come down to this first minus development area. And that's going to be somewhere around 750-ish or so. Let's see if we make it down there. Hey, Plum Trader, good morning. So we'll see if we make it down there or not. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. We breached that one, then maybe down here towards 600. Let's see what we have for the economic calendar. What do we have on deck this morning? Trump speaks at 4:30. Hopefully we're done by then. 8:15, we have ADP non-farm employment change. So yesterday was a rough one for me. Yesterday was rough. We have ISM at 10 o'clock. So we have news at 8:15 and 10 o'clock. ATF, good morning. We have Fear and Greed Index. We're over in greed now. All right, there we go. There we go. Now we look at the overseas markets. Nikkei last night up 2,300 points. Closed up here near the upper part of the range. Almost at the very tippy top. HSI last night was up 62 points. Cosby last night was up 239. But notice it did close off of the high. CAC is down 45 as we speak. And that DAX is up 24 points. Let's go look at gold. What is gold doing this morning? Hey, gold's up here at session highs. Gold's up, wow, 98 points. Oh man, we were talking about this last night. So last night the indices were very, very, very slow. But gold and crude oil was where it was at last night. I think stock charts is broken. It shows the NASDAQ is up almost 10% in 4 days. Hey, Gary, when we say NASDAQ, NQ or QQQs? Let's just look. I don't think it's up 10%. Might be. You got me curious. If we look from the low down here, low down there all the way up to the high of yesterday, we're up 9.72% on the Qs. So that's probably right. Let's see what the SPY is up. Again, this is from the low. From that swing low all the way up here. 6%. So today's Wednesday. Wednesday, Tuesday. Wait. So Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday. Yeah, Wednesday's low. Yep. Yesterday. Yeah, I did some stupid things yesterday. I ended up only being down commissions when it was all said and done, but I went to go out to the kitchen and get some lunch. And my wife says, I don't think the lunch meat's any good. I was like, all right. So I went up to a sub shop. Well, before I went there, Idiot Mike comes out and I put on a trade. I do not put it on with the ATM. I do this intentionally because while I'm gone, I don't want to be stopped out. So I ended up calling Jesse and I was talking to him on the way to the sub place. And as I'm in line getting ready to order, he goes, oh man, it's ripping higher. I was like, oh boy. So I get back him down even more when I get back. I was like, man, we're already past the daily ATR. We're up here. We should at least go sideways to pull back. Nope. I ended up taking a couple longs in the afternoon. Not much. I didn't get much out of them. So dragged in the meetings. Hey, Paul, you got to tell your work. Hey, you don't got time for that mess. Oh man. So on the side of my chart, on the side of the Ninja Trader, it showed I was up $600, but after commissions, I was down like $100, $120, something like that. So we're trying to push on up right now. Hey, here's something funny yesterday too. We talked about it. VIX was up yesterday and the VIX is up right now in pre-market. Yeah. Who do you think is ship? Yeah, I know it's madness. I can't even believe that it's craziness. Now, yes, we are at the second deviation band right now. Let's go look at that. Yes, we're right here poking into the second deviation band. Look at the NASDAQ. And NASDAQ's not at the band yet. It's not there yet. So we do got news at 8:15. And then at 10 o'clock. So, hey, Sods, good morning. Now, what about the yields? Let's go check on yields this morning. I'm assuming they're still going down. Yeah, they're flat. So they went down a little bit, popped back up. We still have an ABC target on the 10-year yield. If that starts, creeping up here, that's, that could be a problem. We talked about the VIX being up. DXY. Yeah, DXY is down this morning. See, it's down here at the lows of the session. I don't know if we're going to get a big correction. Usually after we get a big move like yesterday, the next day isn't a complete reversal. Usually it's a back and forth, and we end up forming like a D-shaped profile. So I think a majority of the day we're going to consolidate, which means we need to fade the edges. Fade the edges until it does not work will probably be the MO. But we'll see how it all shakes out. We look over here at, let's see. Let's go look at some of the gamma levels real quick. On the ES, we're sitting here right here at call resistance. The 1 day minimum is not much higher, or 1 day max. I'm sorry. That's about 42 points higher than where we're at. 42, 43 points. I don't have any other levels above that. We look over here at the NASDAQ. All right, NASDAQ, we have that call resistance here at 30,000. And then the 1 day max, I have all the way up here at 30,241. 1 day minimum is only down here at 29,400. And we do have GEX1. GEX1 is probably going to act as a magnet today. That's here right around 700. And if we bring over the levels right now, let's zoom this up a little bit. You see right here, 30,000 where that call resistance is. That's the highest gamma strike price we have around us. Now we do have another one up here, pretty decent size at 31,000. But notice all that gamma to the downside is pretty much dried up. So we'll see if we get a rejection there, or if they can break through it and accept it. All those dealers are gonna have to hedge, and we can get a runaway market. But I'm hoping this is going to keep the market contained to the upside somewhere right around 30,000. Maybe we push just a little bit above it, but I'm hoping that keeps us contained a little bit. And if we look over here on the ES looks like it wants to rip. Yeah, yes, we have that call resistance here at 7,800. A little bit more at 7,830 and then 7,900. All the gamma to the downside on the ES is basically dried up as well. So it could unchop and then break out higher. The longer we consolidate, the bigger the move out of it typically is going to be. So yeah, I wouldn't be surprised with it if it did something like that. I'll put that back on NQ. Mr. NQ. There we go. Yeah, but look, if everybody's looking for that pullback, we're probably not going to get it. Just saying. Look how stupid the ES looked yesterday. Look at the ES over here. That was a rocket ship. 4-hour chart, just getting it. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 4-hour candles without a pullback. Oh man. If you look at even at yesterday's 30-minute chart, look at this on the ES. From right here all the way up to here. So we'll mark our up candle to up candle. We had 10 consecutive up candles in a row. So that means 5 hours with no pullback. Nuns. Even look at the little wicks. The wicks on any of these candles are very, very small. Ridiculous. I feel like the ES is trying to push up and go higher this morning. So, and again, this is my kryptonite day right here. That is my kryptonite day. Look on the NASDAQ. 30-minute chart on the NASDAQ, you at least had one very small down candle right there. Not much. And NASDAQ's a little bit differently in terms of the bar count. From here to up here. The NASDAQ, you had 12 30-minute candles, so 6 hours. And in that break, you only had one small little down candle. And that down candle on the NASDAQ, when we had a range of 1,124 points yesterday, this down candle was small. So 558 to, yeah, it was only 9 points. 9-point down candle on a day where we were ranging. We had a range of 1,100 points. So that's pretty pathetic. Pretty pathetic. Yeah, it's definitely the anti-Mike chart for sure. And I was mad at myself. I traded like crap yesterday. Like, I don't know. It was what it was, but very unhappy with the way I traded last night or yesterday. Last night wasn't as bad. I really slowed it down last night. So slowed it down tremendously last night. But we'll see, do we end up doing something like this? I doubt we go really big down here. I think maybe we pull back a little bit and then we end up finding support. Again, we already talked about that price point, 750. We breached that maybe down here at 600. I don't see us going much past 600 if we do get down there. You see the ES right now. ES is trying to take out another session. And ooh. ES is trying to make another new all-time high. So session high, new all-time high. Just like that. In a matter of 2 days. Back to making all-time highs. So we're probably going to make it up there. And I do like this area on the ES. So somewhere around 77.57 if we can come down. We'll see if we get down there. Oh, maybe. Yeah, I blew out the hedge fund, blew them out, and then Yeah, so hey, I never have my computer go to sleep. The only thing I have it do is the monitors go off. The computer stays on. Yeah, how much higher are they going to push these markets before you get a pullback? Are you going to try to squeeze all the shorts now? You know, we had a 10% pullback. NASDAQ was down. Let's actually measure that real quick. NQ on the daily. Right up here from all-time highs down to the low. NASDAQ was down about 12.5%. The S&P 500 was only down 5.7%. There we go. We're making new all-time highs on the ES right now as we speak. What's kind of weird though, we still have the VIX up. Look, the VIX at session highs. VIX at session highs. ES is making new all-time highs. So. Oh, hey, Eric, it's not OLED. It's not OLED. So I shouldn't have an issue. Shouldn't. But you never know. Dow's up 265. So Dow and S&P were making new all-time highs yesterday. Let's see this morning. Is the Dow right there making new all-time highs again? I think it did. Yeah, Dow just made new all-time high as well. So we had Dow Jones making new all-time highs, S&P making new all-time highs. Oh, Eric, it's all good. Well, I don't know. I don't keep the computer on because I think it's good for it. I keep it on so in case I need to run here and, you know, add to the trade, take it off, whatever. Platform's already pulled up. SpaceX reportedly, SpaceX rocket crashed into the moon at 5,400 miles per hour. Hey, what's up, Chris? Thank you. Smash that lucky like button. Yeah, I just haven't yet. Again, we have the market open here in about. Oh, we just had the ADP numbers come out. Let's see what they came out as. ADP employment change. Yeah. A little bit of a miss. 44K. Hey, so does the market stay up here? Yeah, ring the moon bell. So does the market stay up here at these levels until Friday's news when we have the true jobs numbers coming out? Look, they're only forecasting 85,000 jobs. That's pretty pathetic. Previous, we had 57,000. I wonder if they're going to revise this number up or down. Hey, good morning. You shut yours down every night. So I reboot my computer at 5 o'clock every night. Say every night, but I don't think I did last night. I was too busy still setting up all the monitors. So. Oh, hey, Paul, CPI normally will have a bigger move. I guess it just depends on what type of environment we're in. So because the market's been so keyed in on inflation, CPI has been more important over the last few years. Last 5 years, probably. Yeah, reboot it once a week. Yeah, I usually shut my whole computer down. So I lie. I don't usually shut my computer down at 5. I reshut down all the no, I do reboot it quite a bit. I at minimum shut down Ninja, but quite often I do reboot it at 5 o'clock too. If I don't reboot it at 5, I at least shut down Ninja, which last night I don't think I did. I can't remember. I was trying to get everything set up for the stream, and man, that took me way longer yesterday than I thought it would. That was nuts. And I still got a bunch of changes to make, but so I want to be careful again today, kind of like I was last night. We'll see how that all, works out for me, but yeah, that's why I tried the new version of Ninja. 8.1.8.1 is actually working pretty good. I can't get the FEG indicator to mess up anymore where it would go away. That's all fixed for me now, which is good because that was quite annoying with the FEG indicator, but it's all good. Yeah, Mag's almost at all-time highs. I mean, it's not really surprising given the fact that S&P right now is at all-time highs. NASDAQ's a little bit further away from all-time highs as we speak, but let's see how far away it actually is, percentage-wise. Yeah, so we're about 3.84% away from all-time highs. Yeah, order entry is a lot faster too. I agree. Hey, but you can change the font. I'm trying to remember what my old font used to be, but you can change it. So. Oh, hey, Av, white boy, my 9 count has never disappeared on me. I've never had the 9 count. I've had the FEGs, but not the 9 count disappear. That's weird if you had the 9 count disappear. Yeah, hey, so Boss Dog, I found a way. So if I boot up, if I'm loaded into my data before the market opens at 6 o'clock, then it won't load up. I got to disconnect from the first data connection, and then it'll pick up and it'll work fine. So I don't know what's going on there, but yeah, that's the only bug I've seen too. That was on the other version too. I had a problem with it. I don't know if you did, but I did. So I like this FEG down here. Are we going to go down there and get it? So we're looking at 883 to about 869. See if we get it at some point this morning. Regression channel slightly sloping to the downside. Not a whole lot, but a little bit. We do have the VWAP down here. So right now we are above VWAP. Let's go check VWAP on all the 4 indices real quick. So we'll start off with the YM. YM Mr. VWAP. 5 minute. Oh yeah, we're definitely above VWAP there. We're right back here at all-time highs. RTY. We're barely above the VWAP. We've been below it for a little bit of time. ES above the VWAP, and NQ. NQ is above VWAP, but hasn't been as far above it. Is not as far above it. It hasn't been above it for as long. Yeah, gold's getting it. Gold's up 118 points. Kind of kicking myself. So last night, I sat here and played the NASDAQ and was watching the S&P. And gold was the place to be last night. Gold, even oil. Oil had some good moves last night as well. You should go back and look while we were streaming last night. If you guys didn't know, I stream 8:30 at night. I say 8:30, but I'm usually, last night I was on before 8 even. I think I came on 5 minutes before 8 last night. But look at oil. We had a pretty decent drop down there. That was yesterday. Here it was last night. I hear him chirping. So last night from there down to that wick was about 132 ticks. Then all the way back up from there. That was good for another 178 ticks. And then we dropped again. And that was good for 177 ticks. 178 ticks, somewhere around there. So a lot of good potential moves last night in oil as well. We had the ES right now just making new all-time high. So yeah, I just want to make sure. So next news item, I'm not really worried about the 945, should be low impact. 10 a.m. is next news item I'd be concerned with, ISM. Yeah, Nano futures coming later this month. Kind of curious if they're gonna have any volume. You know, a lot of traders, the micros have picked up a lot of volume, but a lot of traders are like, I want to make all the money. I don't want to trade a micro. So I can't even imagine what it's gonna be like on the Nano. Perfect for a 25K account. They might be. Just wonder how much the commissions are gonna affect it. So yeah, extra scaling. I wonder what the max contract size is they're gonna allow. Like if the prop firms adopt the nanos, what's the most amount of contracts they'll let us trade? Hey Patriot, what's up? Good morning. Hey Mesa. Push back on Trump's claim to, hey, isn't it kind of funny that, hey, any hour we're gonna get an announcement of the deal, the straits are gonna be open. Even last night they were playing that mess. So I don't know. I don't know. I feel like they're stringing us along just like last time. What was that, a few weeks back? At the end of that 1 week, oh, we're having a deal anytime. And that was on Thursday, I think. Today or latest tomorrow. Friday rolls around. Oh, we're so close to the deal. We'll probably have a deal any minute. All right, we'll probably have a deal over the weekend. All that came and gone, and then wasn't until later in the next week where I said, screw it. It's not working out. Think back our markets one headline at a time. Yeah, that's funny. Hey, so let me find it. This was funny. I don't know if he's in here now, but King the Castle sent this to me last night. I found this to be quite funny, quite humorous. Well, he sent this to me last night. If you don't revenge trade, how do you expect to recover your losses? Danzu. That's funny right there. I thought that was funny. So let's go. We did a poll last night too. Let's get a reminder. What was that poll? Yeah, 50% said we're going to close green today. Both ES and NASDAQ. 35% said red. 15% said mixed. That's the poll from last night. So hey Mike, good morning. ES is still making new all-time highs as we speak. Yeah, SpaceX getting mollywopped. Let's see where it's at now. It was down 10%. Yeah, still down 10%. So it's off the low. It made it all the way down here to 110. Trying to turn up here a little bit. S&P still clicking new highs. So S&P just keeps pushing up. We are in the bands on the S&P, but be careful. I think a lot of people are going to try to short. New all-time highs. New all-time highs. They's a getting it. Hey, boss dog. So last week, I don't know, whatever day it was, I was having a bad day. I ended up going to Chipotle for lunch. Said, oh, we don't have no burritos. And I laughed, ha, 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 ha. And then she goes, so what would you like? I was like, oh, I'll take a burrito. Sir, we don't have no burritos. I look around and see everybody just has bowls. I was like, oh, son of a biscuit eater. So I had to eat a bowl. Which we keep talking about Chipotle. I'm going to go to Chipotle for lunch. For lunch, give me some chapato. There's 100K subscribers today. Yeah, I think I might go to Chipotle for lunch, actually. I think we just talked myself into some Chipotle today. The squeeze continues. Well, hey, normally after a big move like we had yesterday, we form a D-shaped profile. So far, we had that D-shaped profile, and you know, all-time highs in the market say are not made in pre-market. During the New York session, I was, but we'll see. We got a 9 count over here on the NASDAQ. 1 minute. We're only on bar number 7 on the ES. We are in the bands, but you want to definitely be careful. I'm not really looking to get too aggressive this morning. I don't want a repeat of yesterday. Hey, Lee, good morning. Don't forget to smash that lucky like button. Goal 300 likes. We'll do that Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. We didn't hit the like counter last night, so the giveaway continues. All right, there we go. New oh, that's NASDAQ. My bad. Yeah, NASDAQ's not quite there yet. NASDAQ's not at session highs yet. Or all-time highs. We did hit all-time highs early in the morning, but you had to go to sleep. Yeah, sleep's overrated. Yeah, plenty of time to sleep when you're dead. You're at that second band, huh? So normally I would like to fade it, but man, I don't know. Overall view, I think we consolidate up here at these highs. I think we chop around for a little bit. Maybe even break above this high a little bit and then pull back. I don't think it's going to be a big pullback today. I think we chop around. We maybe come down towards 750. If we're lucky, 611, 600. I don't really see us on a pullback making it below that. It was kind of funny, though. We pull a fib from yesterday's low up here to the high. 38% retracement is above both those targets I just gave out. So if you look over here on the 4-hour chart, look at this from the low all the way up here. 38% retracements way down here at about 28,930. Craziness. All right, they're trying to knock it down. We'll hit them hard, harder than they've ever been hit. I'm still trying to figure out where I want all these windows at. Nice little smack down. So we did have the 9 count right up here. Bam, smacked it down. Coming in and being oversold. What about the ES? Oh, ES getting smacked down here too. ES taking a little smack down up here. Again, that's why I said we could fade the edges, but I don't want to repeat of yesterday. Yesterday, I feel like I lost some years off my life after that. I did not need all that stress. And I started doing some stupid things after the stream. Right after the stream, I smacked it. Right after I got off the stream, I smacked it 3 contracts. It was small stop loss. Did not work. We have a trade detector bubble here, right here at the lower regression channel. Yeah, PTSD from yesterday. So I gotta slow things down a little bit. You know, when things aren't going well, don't speed it up. That's how you blow up accounts. I did lose some prop accounts yesterday too. And what really sucks is I was right there for a 15K payout with Tradeify, but that was going to be my cut after the split. But I was like, I don't know, less than $100 shy of what I needed. I was like, I'll trade one more day. And then yesterday happened. I didn't lose those accounts, but they got pretty jacked up. They're not in good shape at the moment. So they definitely took on some water. You get below VWAP. I do like this area up here, but that's weird. Hold on, I gotta move this. I gotta move these screens around real quick. Let's see. Don't forget, today's a great day to smash that like button as well. We're gonna see if we can get to 300 likes to do that Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. Can we get it? So 300 likes and we'll get it. So look, right back off that oversold area. We come back down towards that same zone. You can see the delta down here. So nice trade detector bubble right here as well. I took none of it. I'll do money order flow. I don't have the footprint charts up today, if that's what you're asking. I still gotta get those charts set up. Boycotting all meetings today. Paul's like, I'm not going. Paul's like, you're getting fired. Well, you're gonna have to fire me then. All right, you're fired. Okay, I was just joking. I was just joking, boss. You know, I was just teasing. I was just trying to gauge how important this meeting was. All right, nice push right back up. Look, took the NASDAQ above this upper part of the range. Was that enough for all-time highs? I don't know. No, we're not back at all-time highs there. And what about ES? ES pretty darn close back up there, though. Pretty close. Not quite back at the deviation bands yet. What about ES? ES had a pretty decent little drop from the deviation bands down. What was the move from the band down to there? Yeah, 8 points. Yeah, 40 points up, 40 points down. I got nones of it. I'm fine with that. I don't have to get every move. That's why. All right, I gotta get this set up. It's not right. That's weird. All right. That stuff popping up all over the place. Where, oh where? We do have a meaningful pullback. There's another level, another gamma level down here at about 659, but we gotta get down there. I want to be careful this morning. I'm trying not to get crazy with it. Yeah, peace plan. Hey, that was the peace plan. Hey, that was the sacrifice. That was the sacrificial lamb. Was the boat. The boat was a sacrificial lamb. Can I routinely go over the stats for today? The GEX. Oh yeah, we look at the GEX real quick. We're right here, right around call resistance. But where's GEX 1 at? GEX 1's right below us. 7780 on the S&P. We have the put support down here at about 7750, and the 1 day minimum 7706. To the upside, 1 day max will be a decent level, right around 7842. I'll pull up the stats here in a moment. On the NASDAQ though, we have this big call resistance at 30,000. Been talking about that for days. GEX 1's down here a little bit lower. At 698-ish. Put support's gonna be down here at 600. 1 day minimum will be down here at 397. I don't know if I said it, but the 1 day max will be up here about right around 240. Now I'm kind of curious. So if we look right here, here's that gamma right there at 30,000. That's huge. Huge. So if we do flip above that, you know, these dealers may be forced to go with the move. We get one heck of a squeeze. Squeeze them out maybe. But I think more likely than not, this will kind of contain us. Even if we go above it a little bit, we should come back down. I'm curious. Let's look at the different stats for today. So that call resistance. 79% of the time it holds, but when we break, the average we go above it is 160 points. The 1 day max, if we break it now, the average is going to be 132. And what do we have down below us? Yeah, put support 0 DTE. Let's look at that. 78.5% of the time that holds, but if we break it, on average, we go down 249 points. So I don't really think we're going to break that. Otherwise, it's going to skew that average quite a bit. Let's see ES. Yes, we are above that call resistance. Houthi forces struck the Saudi oil tanker. Hey, we do have oil up 50 cents, 47 cents at the moment. So 1 day max on the ES, 93% of the time it's holding right now. If we do break it, we should move another 23 points higher. Call resistance 0 DTE. When we break above that, the average move is 26 points. And the 1 day minimum, if we break that, the average move below that's 39 points. But if we break the 1 day max, there's only a 49% chance we come back down. So yeah. Yeah, so it looks like the market wants to go a little higher here. Looks like we're not done squeezing a little bit. So no trades for me so far in pre-market. What time is it? 8:43. All right, I'm putting the poll up. Pop or drop at the open. What do you guys think? First 1 minute candle. Is we gonna pop or is we gonna drop? Drop, 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 drop. We shall see. Pretty slow for the indices. The extreme highs. I don't know. I do better trading around extreme lows than I do extreme highs. Myself personally. How did I do last night? I did decent. I'm up $1,200 for last night. But I really slowed down the amount of trades I placed. On stream, I didn't take nearly as many trades as I have been. And looking back in hindsight, I probably should have traded gold and oil last night as they were moving. But given the day that I had yesterday, there's no way I was going to venture out there. Now, if I do look at the options flow data, right here, we look at this real quick. You see the options flow data is coming down here in pre-market. We'll see if that stays. How many trades on average? Yeah, it just depends on how good of a day I'm having. So if I'm having a really good day, like if I'm not streaming, I'm trying to find this real quick. If I'm not streaming, I don't take nearly as many trades. So I can be content, you know, taking 3 to 6 trades. I'm on the stream though. We're sitting there talking about the markets, and next thing I know, I find myself in a trade. So you know, the longer I look at something, the more likely I'm going to be to, you know, talk myself into a trade. I import all my stuff into a spreadsheet every night. Actually, not every night, once a week. I used to do it every night. So I import all my stuff into a spreadsheet. It's kind of a pain in the butt. I think I might try to get AI to try to code something where it does it automatically. So it automatically just goes bink right there. And I just have all the data every time. Yeah, well, I don't use the DOM really. I don't really use the DOM to place my trades. But I will show a Bookmap as we're coming up towards key levels and such. Which if you look at Bookmap to the upside, on the NASDAQ, we have some levels right here. About 979-ish to the upside. We have about 70 contracts. On the ES, we have some liquidity down here I kind of like. I don't know if we'll make it down there. Down here around 772. To the upside, we have some around 812. But again, even the books pretty much feel feel pretty thin today. Not a lot on them. Yeah, trading after 2. Well, normally if I'm trading in the afternoon, it's probably because I wasn't having a good day. If I have a good day, I love being done by lunchtime. Because now I don't have to worry about any stress, any crazy things happening. I can just chill. Do whatever I want to do. Really want to go out and ride my e-foil, but kind of twisted something in my back or something. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to short again. I'll probably go long and short today. I am short 2 micros. I started that position last night and I added one to it right when we jumped on stream this morning. I'm currently down in the trade, so down 200 in the trade. I'm not even going for a huge move. You gonna finally be rich today? Oh, gold's up 102. I want to go look at oil. Yeah, short on the SPY. Just be careful. You know, a lot of people are going to think the market's overextended, and want to push it. See, SPY and pre-market were right there near all-time highs. Yesterday, we were already making new all-time highs. Now, I do like the pullback. When we do start to pull back, as long as we don't get too crazy out of here. All right, we have multiple days where we gapped up, but a return back to this, breakout isn't far-fetched at the moment. Not saying today. Maybe it takes 2 days. And look, that's right where the 38% retracement is. 38% retracement is just below that area, so let's see if we can make it there. Well, I had to bail out Japan, so Japan didn't dump our bonds. And see yields even spiking higher. Yields are up this morning. Like you can see yields trying to go up. If you zoom this out, trying to go up here a little bit. We'll see if CL is going to turn back down or not. CL keeps going up. That could be a problem. We do have the VIX up. VIX at session highs as we speak. The VIX was up yesterday also. So VIX was up yesterday. We have about 40 minutes until the market opens. So don't forget, if you guys want to vote, pop or drop at the open, polls in the chat. If you guys haven't yet, smash that lucky like button, 300 likes, and we're going to do a Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. And so let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. But market's really, really slow, at least in terms of the indices this morning. Let's go back and look at the heat map. A lot of the chips down a little bit in pre-market. AMD's down 7.39%. They had earnings out yesterday. AMD's trying to come up here in pre-market though. After hours, big smackdown. AMD's trying to climb back a little bit. Who else has earnings coming out? So yesterday we had SpaceX, AMD. Ooh, today after the bell, we have SanDisk, Western Digital, Elf. Oh, what Shop did this morning? Let's look at Shopify. Oh, Shopify, big rocket ship up 19%. They're trying to smack this bad boy down. That's okay. I'm not going to get too excited. Yeah, down. Hey, that's the thing we've seen this time around, Paul. We've seen a lot of negative reactions to earnings. That is not a sign of a healthy market. Did I make it back yesterday? Well, I made it worse before I got it back. I didn't get it all back. I was basically down commissions yesterday. So the P&L on Chart Trader showed I was up $600. 640. Hold on. Let's see, because I was texting Jesse and saying, hey, I'm coming back. I'm getting it back. Yeah, the first text I sent him, I was like, I'm only down $842. The next text, I'm like, I'm done. I'm up 647. But then I looked at afterwards, after the market was closed, I looked, I was down 100 or 120 bucks in commissions. Somewhere right around that ballpark. So was what it was. But I did something pretty stupid. I put a trade on and went to go grab lunch real quick. Want to make sure I wasn't going to be stopped out. Got rid of the stop. Came back and it didn't work out for me. I was like, oh, we're already way past the ATR. So I'm saying I can do stupid things when I'm not on stream, more so than when I'm on stream. Anthropic looking to build their own chips due to demand for AI models. Their AI models. So, but hey, the low watermark was all the way down to like low 6,000s, 61 to 63, $100 down, not counting commissions. So it was getting pretty dicey. I was talking to Jesse on the way to lunch. He's like, oh man, we're talking about how brutal the market was, that rip up. And I told him, I was like, I told him on stream a bad day might be 5K down, but I said, I won't be surprised if I don't get a turnaround if I'm down 10 grand. I said, and I hope I stop at 10 and it's not a 15K down day. But luckily I didn't. Most I was down with 6,000, just over 6,000. So and then I was able to come back minus commissions. So that's basically break even. Close enough. But I didn't come back and doing it the right way. I did a lot of reckless things I should not have done. So the market rewarded me for bad behavior. That's not good. No, I didn't learn anything from yesterday other than I'm an idiot. Look, yesterday's going to get me. Days like yesterday are going to get me 9 out of 10 times. 9 out of 10 times. The way I trade is just not built for that type of day. Those days happen 2 to 4 times a month. So the other 16 days, 18 to 16 to 18 days, I do just fine. So I just gotta make sure the losses aren't too big on those days. So I don't want to optimize my trading for days like yesterday. I mean, how many days do we get 1,124 point up days in the NASDAQ out of the year? Straight up, no pullbacks. So. All right, pretty decent little smackdown here on the NASDAQ. From here to here. Yeah, 38 points. Looks a little bit more than what it is, I guess. Made 75% of your profits. Yesterday were shorts. Yeah, I had a couple of longs yesterday afternoon, but I got scared out. Like, I would jump out of my longs way early and let my shorts ride longer. And clearly the market's only going up, but, you know. Is this year abnormal? We just got a lot of stuff going on. You gotta worry about, the Middle East tensions. We got a president that likes to go on social media and post things all the time. And, his words move the markets. Good or bad. Like, he moves the markets. So. I just wonder how long it's going to be before they come out and say, we can't make a deal with those people. We're gonna blast it back to the Stone Ages again. Get another comment like that, and it's popping up again this morning. Could be in for a 50% Hey, repeat, you say your indicator is popping up. Do you mean for higher prices or lower prices? Because we're basically at all-time highs, at least on the S&P and Dow. Okay, lower. All right, let's go. Let's get that retracement underway. Hey, oil's up 70 cents now. Ew. Good old oil. Trying to push. Not back at session highs yet, but it's only about 23 points away from session highs. So targets above ABC, above all-time highs. ABC patterns is a good way. If you get little double bottom patterns, any kind of pattern where you get a price projection will work. But it definitely makes it more challenging because we have no resistance above us. We've never been there. Your service is crappy today. Oh, that stinks. I can't stand bad internet, especially if I'm trying to trade. I do not have the patience for it. Pop up today. We might. Don't forget to vote in the poll. We're gonna leave it up for about 20 more minutes, and we'll see. Pop or drop. What's it gonna be? I definitely want to keep my eye on the options flows, which I should have paid attention a little bit more yesterday, because if we go back and we look, it's the funny. Oops. Hey, so look, here's the options flow from yesterday. Like, we dipped down a little bit right here, right at the open. Just barely dipped down. Then from that point on, just all day long, just kept ripping. So that was a big telltale yesterday, and I just kept fighting the market. Hindsight's 2020 though, right? If we look at today's markets, let's see what we have today. Today we had the options flows starting off trying to go down a little bit. So we're down here, almost 1 billion negative options flow data. No, that's for the SPX. It's the options flow for the SPX. Yeah, do it for the duckies. Hit the like button. If you guys haven't yet, boop, hit that like button. Where are we at for likes anyways? I haven't looked. Oh, we did get over 100 likes here in pre-market. Let's go. 300 likes, and we're gonna do that Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. So let's get it. That was Spot Gamma. It's a paid subscription. They're gonna rip it right back up to all-time highs again. NASDAQ's ripping up. ES is not far away from all-time highs. So they're trying to push back up. Look, here's a low. Here's a higher low. So yeah, stream skipping. Stupid YouTube. Hey, you know what? I see we have some liquidity right here. 77.90. They're just chirping it away here at the moment. Yeah, 30K, big juicy target. Yeah, I agree with that. Didn't quite get to this FEG area down there. It's only about, what? 58 points higher from the current price. CES probably going to push new session highs. And all-time highs at that. So market's just kind of consolidating those gains from yesterday, which, you know, would imply higher prices. And that's what I kind of expected. We talked about that last night. I said probably gonna have a D-shaped profile today, and so far that's how it's shaping up. It's kind of funny looking at how tight the range is. 213 point range on the NASDAQ and 34 point range on the S&P. Israel tells residents in southern Lebanon town to leave. They ramped that up. Maybe that'll spook the markets here a little bit, but oil did come back down a little bit. Oil's only up 17 cents. Gold's up 102. Yeah, they don't want this market going down. So again, if you guys want to vote in the poll, I'll leave the poll up probably another 15 minutes ish. Pop or drop at the open and see what you guys think. Yesterday we didn't have that big of a split. It was pretty tight. At least I think it was yesterday. I don't see any Trump news yet. Gotta be on the lookout for that. Any moment. Yeah, Oman Iran deal credit. Yeah, it's funny. US like, yeah, we've been working on a deal. Everything's going great. Iran says, we haven't been talking to nobody. Oh, man. All right, here goes the ES pushing new all-time highs here in just a moment. We're right there, only ticks away. So, what, one more tick away and we're back to all-time highs. I hate all-time highs in the market. I really do. I really, really hate it. Hey, Eric. Good morning. Trump takes more trades than you do. All right, new all-time highs on the S&P. What about the Dow? Does that put the Dow at new all-time highs? Let's see. DIA. Oh, no. YM. No, Dow's not there. Only the S&P is making new all-time highs right now. So we have no resistance. Clear blue skies. Get it, and get it. We're up there at the second deviation band, too. Second deviation band touch. I'm not going to get too aggressive, though. Buy the dip, let it rip. All right, new highs. New highs, new highs, new highs. Hey, Brian. I think it's kind of funny that, hey, in a few hours, we're going to hear about the deal. So they said yesterday. Well, it's 24 hours later and still nothing. Yeah. 100K a month. Yeah, that's nuts. They get a 9 count up here. Can't still stand those tags up there. So we got 9 count up here right inside of. What time is it? 9:08. Should I take a swing at it? Yeah, hard to go along all-time highs. Yeah, but think about it. There's no resistance above us. We could just keep on going. New highs, new highs, new highs. All right, I see your message. I don't think I did, troops. What message? I think I saw it. Activate. Oh, let me see. I see it now. 5 2 counts. Wow. Hey, troops. So have you already had live Pro Plus accounts in the past? If you have, it's always quicker the second time. It's the first time it takes the longest. $260. Hey, KD, 270 watching. 150 likes. You guys haven't yet? Boop that like button. Again, 300 likes, and we're gonna do that Take Profit Trader Account giveaway today. We have to have the likes in by 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. So that way we have plenty of time to do the duck race, make sure we get the account given away, and all that fun stuff. I'm liking the new monitors so far. I'm liking them. Yeah. Hey, troops, I'd be curious on the brand new account. Yeah, terrible conditions. I agree. I'm not a fan. You know, some people have no problem still going long. It's not the way I like to trade, but I haven't taken any trades in pre-market yet. Think about taking a trade in this ES though. Think about smacking that real quick for a little scalp. It's 9:10. We got 20 minutes until the open. You want to go long, but you're worried about Trump's news drop? I mean, the down candles haven't been crazy yet. Keep in mind, we have that large gap from Sunday night. If that gap is not filled by Thursday at the close, so 5 o'clock on Thursday, it's probably gonna be several weeks before we come back and visit that. So yeah, ES is cruising, making new all-time highs. NASDAQ's a little bit further away. So will the NASDAQ play catch up? We also have the Dow making new all-time highs. Dow and the ES. Ooh, what about Russell this morning? Russell might be at all-time highs now. Let's go look. It might have been able to make all-time highs overnight. Let's see. It was close yesterday. No, Russell still has not gotten all-time highs. Little ways away still. Look at the VIX. VIX is up here at session highs too. The VIX being at session highs is a little bit concerning for the market to continue up higher. Yeah, gold move was spicy. I should have traded gold last night, but I didn't. Ah! Got the yawns going. Yesterday wore me out a little bit more than most days. All that fighting back and forth, back and forth. Yeah, the interest to the downside's gone though. All right, so we have Nvidia up 1.53%, Apple's up, Microsoft up, Google up, Meta up. Wow, SpaceX now 11% now. Tesla down 1.1%. Amazon's up. So I have a little bit of problem over here in the chips. Resisted every urge to short the ES. All right, there's the SMH is down 0.79% pre-market. On the NQ. Oh, MNQ. No, I didn't see that. Hey, what time frame? The 1 minute? Because it's funny, I think that might be the same one Neo was talking about last night. Oh yeah, pretty big gap over here in MNQ. Huh. That's the gap that Neo was looking for last night. Hey, so Neo said, hey, you guys see it? And we were looking on the NQ. We weren't looking on the MNQ. So like, no, we don't see it. Yeah, the NQ doesn't have it. I have noticed when volatility picks up, you can see a little bit more of a spike in the micros. I might have to smack this. All right, I shorted the ES. Yeah, we'll see if I regret this. Let's see. Let's see. Will it work? Got NASDAQ going down over here. Yeah, no, VIX was climbing yesterday. It's still climbing today. It's crazy. That's where all-time highs. So people are starting to buy some puts. I'm not even looking for a big move. I'm looking for a very small move. I know I got my target down here. I just got it out of the way just in case we get, I don't think it'll happen, but just in case we get a fast whoosh down. I'm really looking for about 100 bucks in this trade. So if I get it, I'll call it a success out here in pre-market. If not, probably wish I didn't take the trade. All right, we're coming down to being short-term oversold on the NASDAQ. You can see the green background. Took your money at the top. That's gonna probably get me. So it's 9:17 now, so we got about 13 minutes until market opens. See if they can just push. pause and consolidate before you make another move. I kind of think so too. I kind of think today forms a D-shaped profile. Now, if we come out with news that there's going to be no deal, you know, all the hopium the market went up on will quickly evaporate. Come on, just go down, please, and thank you. I said please, please. I was getting my butt handed to me yesterday. I still ended up red, but I mean, it got really bad at one point. It got really bad after the stream into the early part of the afternoon. Yeah, it's pretty funny, right? Repeat. We're working on a deal. We have no talks. Don't worry. We're talking to them. They don't know we're talking to them, but we're very close to a deal. Any hour we'll have a deal. The rating is like, what are you talking about? We do not have any deal. We are not talking at all. So I was like, yeah. We'll have a deal. Don't worry about it. Don't listen to what they're saying. Don't listen to them. Not looking good. Not looking good for me. Yeah, please. Pretty please give us a deal. Pretty please. So how the market on open orders here in just a few. In about 50 seconds. Oh, Neo short on all tops. Hey, Neo, hey, that gap you're talking about last night, we didn't see it, but somebody, I think Troops was talking about it. They said, look on the MNQ. I see the gap on the MNQ. We just did not see it on the NQ. I think that's the gap that you were talking about last night when you said, you guys don't see the gap? Right now, we don't see the gap. You were probably on the MNQ. I was on the NQ. So don't forget, smash that like button. 300 likes. We're going to do that Take Profit Trader Count giveaway. Likes got to be in by 11 o'clock. Yeah, 1 minute MNQ chart. Yeah. Come on. NASDAQ's pushing down. Go down, ES. Oh, man. I'll pull over the market on open orders here in a moment. Just want $100. Just give me $100, please. $100 we'll call it success of the pre-market. NASDAQ's going down. ES like, I kind of like it up here. Dow's up 235 for the day. All right, I'm going to shut down that poll. So if you guys want to vote, I'll give it 1 more minute. 1 minute. Then I'm going to shut down the poll. So if you guys want to vote, pop or drop at the open. Let's see what everybody's thinking. This ES just does not want to budge. NASDAQ's been holding the bullish channel since 5 o'clock. One negative tweet away from imploding. Yeah, maybe. All right, I'm gonna shut down the poll. Wow, another day, 50-50 on the poll. 183 votes, 50-50. Usually the poll leans more towards bullish at the open. So poll being the way it is kind of implies sideways market. Half the people long, half the people short. Maybe a quick dip, then a rip, maybe. I'm out. I'm out. I just won him $100. And we got about 50 seconds, and I'll bring over the market on open orders. So we can take a look at the NASDAQ, S&P, Dow, see how the orders are stacking up. So yeah, Marcio, hopefully today will be a great day. Yesterday, not so much. Yesterday was rough for me. I mean, those days happen though, so it is what it is. Can't be that upset with it. Those days happen. Cannot cry over spilt milk. I'm only down one. I was only down 106 for a moment in my micros. Ooh. All right, let's go look at the market on open orders. So we got about 4 minutes left. S&P 143 million buy side, NASDAQ 17 million buy side, Dow 62 million to the sell side. Interesting. Yesterday you didn't trade. I wish I wouldn't have traded yesterday. Golly. I wish I would have just did one quick in and out. Beep, beep. And been done. And just watched it the rest of the day. That would have been the smart thing to do. But hey, Mike, DaVinci's free. I use DaVinci to edit all my videos. I have the paid version, but they have a free version, which I probably don't need the paid version. Paid version is like, I don't know, $300 for lifetime. It has a couple of features I don't even use. You can do everything in the free version that I would need. So, all right, there goes the ES. ES is going to try to come up here and take out the highs again. So we got about 2 minutes and 50 seconds left until the open. So here goes new all-time highs on the ES here in a moment. Probably got blasted up at the open. Where's the NASDAQ at on the 1 minute? I need to go ahead and change over the heat map too, so I don't fall victim to what I did yesterday. All right, that was a pre-market. I'm just going to change it to the norms. All right, where's the VIX at? I'll keep an eye on the VIX today, see if it keeps on climbing up or not. NASDAQ's ripping up. See NASDAQ ripping. ES. ES, new all-time highs again. So good thing I got out of that short on the ES. Golly, that would have sucked. Oil's only up 6 cents right now. So we have about 1 minute and just over 1 minute left. So let's see. Half the chat will be right on the pop. Half will be right on the drop. We'll see which half is right. You see NASDAQ right now is up 101. So one trading pre-market, one win. Don't forget the that lucky like button if you guys want a chance to win the Take Profit Trader account. 300 likes before 11 o'clock. 430,000-ish, you're going to short. All right. Ding, 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 ding. Market is open. Market is open. Look, we spiked right into the second deviation band on the NASDAQ. Yes, it's still pushing. New highs, new highs, new highs. New highs begets more new highs. There's a rip it. We got a trade detector bubble up there, but I'll say that ES down to 30 minutes. The new pushing new all-time highs. They had it on the day. Nice. Let's get it. Yo says he's shorting. Yeah, I'm already short 2 micros. I don't want to get crazy with it. Which I hate when they do that. Just jacked up my charts. Keep signing me out. Thank you. Let's go look at the options flow. Options flow is trying to go up here a little bit. Hey, dollars. What's up? What's up? Interesting. Interesting. Or do I dare? Let's see. We're trying to get a little reaction down there off this deviation band on the VWAP. Yeah, fade trade worked again. Look, ripping right back up. So I'm trying to be careful today, unlike yesterday. Do not want to repeat. NASDAQ took out the session highs right now as we speak. Yeah, this got clapped here a little bit. Interesting. I'm gonna let the market settle down for a little bit. Let the market settle in. I don't want a repeat of yesterday. Is what I'm trying to avoid. Repeats of yesterday. No good. So we shall see. Let me That's weird. That is weird. Oh, that's weird. Screen's all jacked up. What is going on? I'm trying to fix these charts, which is good. It gives me a few minutes to let the markets simmer down here a bit. Dog it. I'm going to miss it. I'm going to miss it. That's fine. That's fine. No FOMO. No FOMO. Calm down. Calm down. Please good. I hope. Please. All right. They're just trying to suck everybody in or what? Dow's up 451. Yes, up 44. NASDAQ only up 71. And we got crude oil down 13 cents. So. Maybe I'll wait the first 15 minutes. We do have news coming out this morning as well. So let's try to make sure we get this under wraps too. What time's the news again? Let's look. There you go. 9:45, we have low impact news. We get a chance to see the opening range. Then 10 o'clock. All right. Look at the VIX. VIX is up 5.68%. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's already giving me to short it. Oh man. That's crazy. That's cray cray. You think the VIX is going to collapse? Yeah, if it does collapse, we will go much higher. I would have to agree with you on that. If the VIX does collapse. That's an if. That's not guaranteed yet. Okay, let's get this. Let's get this. How low will she go? What's that? So ES right now is at 43 points. Let's look at this real quick on the. Kind of don't mind it. You know, do we go another 43 points lower? I don't know. What would that put us? Let's see. Yeah, there we go. We're ripping. So NASDAQ was right up here. Let's go look at the NASDAQ. Regression channel is sloping up. We're at the bands though. Oh, do I maybe add to the micros? Let me see where I'm at. I don't think I want to add to them yet. Yeah, I'm not adding to them yet. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. Because Weezo ripping. Yes, up 54 points. Yeah. Good call. Good call. Don't do it. I do like that we're in these deviation bands, but I don't know that I trust it. Don't know that I trust it at the moment. Here's the ES. Let me go ahead and get rid of the fibs. We went higher. And we come over, we look at the VIX. Look at the VIX. It's just screaming. Why are the candles? I think I did something to this chart. Candles look a little dim to me. But VIX is up 6%. Crude oil is down 42 cents. So if we look at crude oil. Oh no. I want to be careful here. After the day I had yesterday, I want to be careful. Because my gut instinct is I want to short it, but I think we're gonna go higher first. So I think I'd rather just wait. Hurry up and wait. I was supposed to see you in Asia tonight. NASDAQ's ripping up pretty good at the moment. Right there in the view app bands. Options flow initially dipped down, then ripped right back up. You see options flow rip down and then now trying to come right back up. So it might keep on ripping this bad boy. So I don't necessarily want to jump in too early. So I'm still your indicator to the downside disappeared on the pop. So I'm watching the ES. ES is trying to pull back here a little bit. Not much, a little bit. A little bit of a wick right up here. I'm watching the NASDAQ right up here near session highs. There goes new session highs. So I'm glad I'm waiting. Be impatient. Say patience pays. Yesterday I was not patient. And yeah, it was horrible. So I'm trying to slow things down a bit. Order flow map. I see everything else says no trade. I really want to swing it long. I like this area up here. I'm just a little bit gun shy after yesterday. Neo's out. I'm just looking around, trying to observe. Hey, do I really want to smack this? Do I want to smack it? Magnet at 7,800. We keep making highs on this NASDAQ. NASDAQ's zinging pretty good here too. Yeah, it's trying to go back up. All right, we just had the 9:45 news come out. Let's see what that was. NASDAQ still making new highs. So final services PMI. Expected 53.6. See what we come in as. I'm gonna add to this MNQ. All right, add it to the MNQ. You're at 54.6. All right, it's a little bit better than expected. Heat map. Nvidia's up almost 4%. AMD's only down 4%. Say only, it was down 8% last night. 7% pre-market. So I see some of the chips try to get green. That VIX though, VIX up 95 cents. Yeah, VIX is tempting me here. Make me want to short this. I feel like they're playing a game on me. I'm going to smack it here in a second. I'm going to try to short it. That didn't work out. Tip number 2. Did not work out. Fantastic. Let's see if the third try will be luck. We do have the session highs a little bit above us. Come on. I might overstate my welcome here. Crap. I think I may have overstayed my welcome. I'm watching the ES. ES is trying to come down here a little bit. Dow's still up 409. Now, if we take out this low again over here, I'm probably just going to kill it. I think. If we do. I don't know if we're going to. Look at that delta that came in. Huge delta. Oh, trading's always going to be easier in hindsight. sure. You don't have the markets moved around. You don't have all the emotions involved. So PTSD from flashbacks from yesterday. Yeah, I should have been more patient. Yeah, bump up on the band. I like where we're at in terms of the bands, but yes, is still trying to push. It sucks that last trade is up $400 something on. I'll let it get me for a friggin' loss. That's been one of the problems I've been struggling with lately too. You're long if it comes down. Hey Neo, like how low do you need to come down? You want to go long? Hey, check what out. 440. 30,400. Hopefully, they don't make it up there while I'm short. I can't close out half of one contract. That's the problem. I've only had one contract on, so I can't do the runner strategy like that. First 3 trades of the New York session. So my ES trade in pre-market worked, and then 3 losers. ES is coming down. ES is coming down. Why won't the NASDAQ follow suit? There's an ES trying to come down here a little bit. NASDAQ's like, nah. Mike short, we got to go get him. Oh, wow. Wow, there we go. Woo! New session highs, baby. New session highs. Let's go. Let's get it. Oh, man. Jeez. Jeez Louise. Hey, we did get the ES all the way back down the VWAP. There's VWAP right there. We got it. Are we getting news come out? I don't see anything yet. Hey, options flow data took a dump. See, options flow dipped down pretty strong. Oil's still down 15 cents. All right, hey, what's this doing to the volatility index? Let's go check that real quick. Mr. VIX, what are you doing? VIX is coming down. So we drop and the VIX drops. VIX goes up, market goes up. What is going on? Uh-oh, bonds are coming down. Let's go look at the yields real quick. Yeah, 10-year on the move up. 10-year on the move up. Keep in mind, we have that target up there at 4.786. I don't know. I think it was after the news that we dropped it. It wasn't right after. It was a little bit of time passed. So I don't know if I believe that one, but maybe. Oh, hey, Apple and Microsoft are down now, and Tesla. Let's go look at Microsoft real quick. Yeah, Microsoft got slammed on that. Let's see, Apple. Yeah, eight minutes. We got 8 minutes to the next news item. So I want to be careful. I don't want to get in a mess like I was in yesterday at all. Not fun. So don't forget, Take Profit Trader giveaway if we get 300 likes by 11 o'clock. So let's get it. Yeah, I got to rearrange some of these windows still. I haven't got all the windows where I want them yet. I don't know exactly where to look when I'm looking for things yet. It'll take me a little bit of time. All right, ripping back up here. There's NASDAQ ripping up. Came in the short term being overbought. Keep in mind, NASDAQ has not hit all-time highs where the Dow and S&P have. Actually, let's go look at the Russell. Did Russell do it in pre-market or when the bell rang? RTY. No, it dipped down. So VIX continues to go down lower here. So 105-ish, you're going to TP. Oh, wow. You're going for a decent move up. Let's get it. Now, I don't think it was PMI, BK. Because that's smack. I was in it after the PMI news already came out. We got news here in about 6 minutes. I was thinking about looking for a short, but it's like, yeah, we got news coming out, and I'm trying not to get too crazy with, I don't want another day like yesterday. I was already starting to twitch after the first 3 losses of the New York session. Then the one trade restored all the losses, plus put me at new equity highs for the day. So Deutsche Bank cuts SpaceX target to 235 from 255. It's SpaceX is about to go below 100. If it keeps it up. So we came down to the VWAP on the ES, we bounced. VWAP down here on the NASDAQ's about 925. I gotta look for another short. Thinking about it. Model's going back short. I like it. Oil's down 40 cents now. Dang it. I couldn't move my target. Oh, well, that's better than having a loss, I guess. You caught the glitch yesterday, minus $300, made it back. Yeah, yesterday, the market was definitely had their hands in my pocket. Not in a good way. Yeah, news 3 minutes. Hey, Sean, I'm glad that you just reminded me. I was itching. I'm like, I was getting ready to look to fire off a trade. So I'm glad you said something. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till the 10 o'clock news comes out. I'm trying to rip up here. Wow, Dow's at 586. Does that put the Dow at new session highs? Let's go look. Look, our market starts going up and the VIX starts going up. Yeah, there's the Dow, new all-time highs on the Dow. Dow's clicking out new all-time highs. SPY new all-time highs, and look at that on the daily or on the 30-minute chart. Gap up, not filled. Gap up, not filled. Third consecutive day where we gapped. Yeah, I'm gonna want to smack it. Smack it. I'm gonna wait for the news. I really want to look for a trade, but I gotta wait. 1987 style dump incoming. Wish bonds would go down. Bonds, futures for the bonds are down. 30 years flat, but yeah, I wasn't trading back in 1987. All right, we got news out here in about, see, I can't figure out where I got this at. In about 7 seconds. So I'll have the news out. Let's go looky look. I got a little dip down here initially. All right, ISM Services PMI came in at 54.1. So a little bit of a miss, not much. NASDAQ's trying to get smacked down, you joker. Don't go down without me. Give me a shot to get in, please. Please, pretty please. Please. Look, every time I go to place a trade, I start having PTSD thinking about yesterday going, is it really worth it? Is it worth pushing the button again? Is it worth it? I'm like, definitely hesitating a little bit this morning versus how I normally am just zinging out some trades. So I was thinking about right up in here, but again, I'm hesitating. That's not good either. Short term, we're getting to be oversold. Let's look at the volume profile real quick. Where are we at? Again, we're still forming that D-shaped profile I talked about. I do think that we come back and we challenge the overnight low-ish area. Then we'll see if we make it down towards that 750. If so, that'll be a good target for my micros. I am 3 deep on the micros. Put one on last night on stream, one at the beginning of the stream, and then one as we spiked up this morning. So they're smacking it down here a little bit. They're smacking it. Hey, they got my micro in the green. So let's see if we can hit that 750 target on the NASDAQ. Hey, good trade down the VWAP. Hey, good deal. You guys haven't yet? Smash that like button. MFF Rapid EOD is live. That would have been great if they would have emailed me about that and let me know about it. Fantastic. I did not know about it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Are they gonna push it? Was that just a little fake out to go back up? Let's go check the VIX real quick. I'll double check real quick. Is the VIX going down with the market going down? 1 hour NQ. Let's see, 1 hour. I see it on the MACD. Huge divergence. Oh, what trade's Neo in? Is Neo long or short? Oh, you're long? Now we're wicking up pretty good. ES came right down to the View app as well. Trying to get a little bounce, but I might end up smacking this. Target, don't run without me. Ooh, I want to go short. Neo's long. I want to go short. Dang it. The market left the station without me. It's unfortunate. Is what it is. Iran sanctions are removed from Treasury. Huh. Interesting. So does that mean we have a deal? They're gonna actually announce a deal today, and then we're really gonna rip. Huh. I don't know if they come out there and announce we've got a deal. If they've already removed the sanctions from the Treasury's website, removes Iran related sanctions. Yes, VWAP and 200 MAs are the same on the 1 and 2 minute. All right, let's do it. Progression channel right here is still sloping upward. Tried to get short. Didn't want to fill me. Crude oil inventory numbers at 10:30. Hesitated again. I was trying to short it again or put another trade on, and I hesitated on pushing the button. Oil's down 82 cents now. So oil's at 74.96. Gold's up 126. So I should go look at oil real quick. I'm gonna end up FOMOing into this trade since I already missed it. Yeah, oil's trying to get on there and break session lows. Not quite down there yet, but it looks like it's headed down there. Gold 3%. Yeah, gold's up 3%. Oil's down 1.27%. Yes, and Dow making highs, new all-time highs today. Russell still has not. Neither has the NASDAQ. A little bit further away. That's the third consecutive day we've gapped up. We have not filled Yeah, let's double check that real quick. Let's double check that real quick. SPY. Yeah, we have not filled the gap today for sure. 3 consecutive gaps up. Is my delta darker than normal? I don't know. I don't know. Shouldn't be. Might be a little bit. I got the brightness on the screens turned down, but I don't think that should affect you guys. Oh, I see the MFF deal. Actually pretty good. So rapid EOD. Save 20%, use code Mike, but EOD drawdown. So you don't have to deal with the intraday drawdown once you've passed. One-time fee too. One-time fee, 90-20. That's not bad. I might test out that account. I might go get me some of those accounts. Since I blew up my MFF accounts yesterday. The perfect time for that sale. Let's see. Wait, my phone charged too. Notice I'm trying to slow things down a little bit today. Don't want to get crazy with it. Let's see. So they had the rapid EOD account. It's only for the 50K account though. It looks like. Huh. I'm not sure if I wanted. Yeah, so the rapid EOD is only for the 50K account. I might go with that one. I might try it out. I wonder how many of them I'm allowed to have. Yeah, look, dump down, doop, right back up. I need to read the rules too. Ten to 1 micros. They do limit the contract size to only 3. That's plenty. I don't usually trade more than that anyways. I might pick some of those up. We're just chilling up here. I think the market's waiting for the announcement that we have a deal. I feel like. I have to buy them with my phone. Can't seem to remember my password. Yeah, gold's up 138 right now for the day. You guys might be trying to head for that 1-day max. Look, call resistance at 30,000. We got above it on the NASDAQ, trying to come back down. Trying. Let's see. Cumulative deltas. Let me go see. Whoa. Almost got me. Almost got me. I didn't apply the code. Hold up. Hold up. Okay, let's see. Woo. In a hurry. Dang it. There we go. Yeah, don't forget to use code Mike at checkout. Otherwise, you'll pay full price. All right, let's see. So this EOD drawdown 90-10 split. EOD in the evaluation and in the funded. So look, if they've already removed the sanctions from the website of the treasuries, they're probably gonna be making an announcement today, I would assume. This thing's gonna probably go berserk when they announce it. We've got a deal. Hey Eric, My Fun of Futures. Yeah, it could be tonight. That's weird. Now, I like the monitors, Eric. I like them a lot. Yeah, building calls. Oh, that's weird. Oh boy. Let's see. Let's see if it went through. My phone gave me an error. I think it's a one-time payment too. All right, I'm gonna pick up 3 of these. Start challenge. Want the EOD account. Boom. Apply coupon. All right, let's see if I can get 3 of these. Yeah, I think this one says one-time payment though. I think. Let's go double check the website real quick. Let's go look. I'm kind of curious. I mean, either way, I'll either blow them up or pass them within that time frame. So it really doesn't matter. Dang it. Let's go look at this together. I'm kind of curious. Plus, it gives my eyes off the charts. So I'm not chasing everything. Where's the rapid EOD? What? Oh yeah, it says 50K. Okay. I was like 100K. So they have the rapid EOD account right now. 4 days to pass. Oh, so you can't pass in less than 4 days. All right, so you got to trade it for at least 4 days. I don't mind that. That's fine. Max drawdown $2,000. EOD $3,000 profit target. In the funded stage, you also have EOD, and this is daily payouts in the rapid account. Let's learn more about the rapid. Let's see. So daily payout cap is going to be 10K. Then they'll move you to live. No activation fee. I likes it. All right. I think I just got the second account. Oh, is that? Yeah, I'm trying to do it on the stream, Brian. I missed it. Let's go back to it. So look, so now we have Lucid one-time payment. They started it. Then Tradeify followed, and now we have a plan with MFF. I like that. Let's go back and look, because I didn't see it. Where it said one-time payment. But on the stream, it's a little bit harder for me to see. Oh, yeah, one-time fee right there. One-time fee. That's a game changer. That's a game changer. I don't see daily loss limit right here. Maybe it has one. Which, if it does, I don't really care either way. Let's go look real quick. FAQ. Well, I gotta buy the other one. Give me a second on my phone. Do not close or refresh this page. All right, just taking forever. Oh, they changed this quite a bit. EOD. Daily loss limit, none. No daily loss limit. That's pretty big. That's gonna be big. Oh wow, they're smacking this bad boy down. That is gonna be big. All right, let me just check. Okay, let me get one more. Let me get one more so I got all three of them. Ah. And that'll be good. That'll get the copier set up and maybe look to trade them a little bit. Again, you got to trade it for 4 days. So if I got to trade it for 4 days, you got to make $3,000. What's the most? What's the most I want to make? Divided by 4. All right, no more than 750 a day. That's fine. So we get this other one purchased. Start challenge. Rapid EOD. Don't forget to apply the discount code. Otherwise, you will pay full price. Pink. All right, there we go. There we goes. All right, coming right back down to the VWAP. I'll get a few moments to make sure all the accounts are set up. I gotta set up another instance of the trade copier. Duplicate new tab. All right, which account do I want? Okay. Oh, account set up. Just got the email on the phone. So 103. Man, that sale came in at a perfect time. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Okay, we got fresh new accounts. Let's get it. Shorts at VWAP. I don't know. I want to see if we can hold below it. I'm a little bit fearful today. I'm not gonna lie. They're gonna come out and announce the deal, especially since they already took the sanctions off the Treasury's website. That could be a problem. Hmm. All right. I think I made a boo-boo. All right, hold on a second. Yeah, trying to get used to where all these monitors are really jacking me up a little bit. All right. I should be all set up now. All set. I don't know. Look, we keep going off the view app real quick, though. Yes, look how many times I hit the view app. 1, 2, 3, just recently since the open. I feel like the market's just waiting for the news announcement. The official told CNN there's a 50-50 chance the U.S. and Iran reach a deal by Friday. Hey, but if we've already taken the sanctions, so we're just already saying, all right, we're hoping to get a deal. We'll give you back no more sanctions. Come on now. So, DP'd out at 60. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, they're ripping it. Trying to rip it. Again, it's all part of a D-shaped profile. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Just need to try to fade the edges, but I'm a little bit scared of a big rip. I'm a little bit scared of the big rip that got me yesterday. Don't forget, we got about 35 minutes. See if we can get that 300 like mark. We need 300 likes by 11. If you guys want to do that Take Profit Trader account giveaway today. If not, too bad, too sad. We'll push it to try to give it away tonight. So help me help you. I'm thinking about smacking this. Smacking it. A little bit nervous though. I'm not gonna lie. Suffering from PTSD from yesterday. A good thing I got my finger on the sell button here too. Let's go. Finger was on that sell button. Got stopped out of that one. Joker. Stop me out, then runs down, you son of a biscuit eater. I'm out. Yeah, and today I'm scared after yesterday. I'm not scared. I'm just respectful of the market today. I'm not scared. Just respectful. All right. New session highs. So we can keep on pinging this thing down a little bit. I'll gladly take it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I should have held that a little bit longer. Yeah, super small size today. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Well, it's funny. How long will the lies and hold the markets up? We're already at all-time highs. Let's go look at the heat map again real quick. Where's everything shaking out? SpaceX only down 8% now. So we have Microsoft, Apple down, Amazon, and Tesla. So we have 4 of the Mag 7s in the red. Well, I'm really surprised. Nvidia's up 4.38%. That's probably a big chunk of the market going up. But the fact that we had 3 consecutive gaps, I don't know, man. It does not give me the warm fuzzies. Does not. I think we're going to come down and fill this gap. 3 consecutive gaps are abnormal. Doesn't mean they don't happen, but it's just not normal. All right, let's see. I would like to take another swing at this. Yeah, we got a trade detector bubble there. Let me pause for a moment. I was getting ready to bam, smack it. Smack it. Legos. It might get me on this one. See, EMA is trying to hook up here a little bit. I'm going to stop in the money. All right. Bada bing, bada boom. There we goes. There we goes. I'm liking it. Today's more gooder than yesterday. Today's going to definitely be a case of Chipotle for lunch. Ooh, I'm going to text the wife just to make sure she doesn't have any plans. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Woof. Woof. All right, look on the NASDAQ. Let's talk about the target we talked about earlier. I feel like I'm scattered a little bit. I'm trying to figure out where all my charts are at this morning too. So it's gonna take me a hot minute to get reacclimated. Like everything's like in a different spot. But look, right here's where I think we're trying to go. Right there, right where that white line is, right around 753. That's where I got the micros on. Put one on last night. Added to it this morning at the beginning of the stream, then added to it again when we spiked up. I'm up 330-ish right now. I'm gonna try to hold it down there. Let's see if we can do it. Let me text the wife. Just entered a short. I'm still a little fearful that we're gonna get some kind of tweet out. I'm very fearful about that, of the tweet. The Donnie tweet. The Donnie tweet. It is weird. I can see like my window now without these big old monitors, 32-inch monitors over here. Stacking gold again. Oh man, let's get it. Yeah, when I went to lunch, I'm not going to be in a trade today. I'll be in the micros, but I won't be in another trade. Hopefully I won't be in the micros either. Hopefully that'll hit targets. That's what we're hoping for. I'm hoping for. So let's see. Can they get it? All right, trying to push back up. So Dow right now is up 585. Let's go check on the Dow. How's the Dow getting smacked? Is it? So YM. Not really. YM still holding up pretty good. RTY. Yeah, RTY is getting smacked down. We already know the NQ is getting smacked. And what about ES? ES getting smacked too. So Dow's holding together at the moment. VIX is still up 22 cents, but look, we're starting to come down. The VIX is still going down. We're going up, making new all-time highs. VIX was going up. Something's broken there. They need to go, wow, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Let's go. It's not related to Iran. It's related to Iraq. Oh, maybe that's true. Look, ripping right back up. This is classic D-shaped profile type of days. Rip up, fade it. rip down, fade it. Unlike yesterday, where it's just one directional. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, yeah. Hey, Coop, do it. I'd love to see it. Probably won't watch it till after the stream just to make sure we don't get no copyright strikes. Let's see. Yes. I might take a little swing short. I might take another short here. We get back towards these EMAs without dropping too hard. I might take another swing at this. Please and thank you. I'm just gonna trail my stop. I'm gonna keep trailing these wicks. All right, there we go. There we go. Just trying to trail the wicks of the candles. Let's go. Man, today's so much better than yesterday. Whew. Yesterday was a rough one. Boy, oh boy. Oh, nice. Hey, Eddie, good job on that. I gotta do a little bit more market replay on these monitor with the monitor setup I have. I still feel a little, everything's like in a different spot, like kind of messing with me a little bit. You know, where I normally go to look for something, it's like, where's it at? My mind freaks out. Yeah, good looking out, Chris. Smash that lucky like button. Hey, they might not want to do a race, Chris. 11 o'clock's the deadline. Oh, let's see if I gotta do this real quick. All right, it is set. You're in DC. It's a mess. Hey, so I've only went to DC one time. I only through the airport. Man, I had my headphones on. I'm walking. Man, this big dude, I guess he was talking to me. I didn't hear him. Grabbed me, bam, slammed me down. Like, what's going on? I said, get over here. I didn't hear him. I had my headphones in. I didn't even know he was talking to me. I didn't pay attention. Picked me up and slammed me. I'm not a very big guy. This guy was probably 6'3", jacked. Like, his arms were like the size of my head. Like, bro, like, that makes you a bad, like, oh man. I was a little bit irritated. Picked me up and slammed me. I just didn't hear him. I had my headphones in, just walking. So messed up. It's the only DC experience I've had. He's like, I told you 3 times. It's like, I didn't hear nothing. Like, you can see I got headphones in. Like, this was before AirPods. Like, I had the headphones. Like, you can see I had headphones on. Like, I don't know. It was messed up. I was like, thank you for the welcome. He did end up apologizing afterwards when he realized I really did not hear him. He thought I was just ignoring him, just being like, whatever. But I wasn't. I didn't, you know, I talk to myself all the time. I was probably having conversations in my own head as I was walking through and listening to the headphones. Oh, hey, I got the rapid EOD accounts, only 50K account size. I got them right now. I'm trading them. I'm in the short. Is they gonna make it? I'm thinking about covering this NASDAQ short from last night. I know I said I want to go all the way down to 850, but I don't know, man. I'm up like, I was up a lot more. I was up 5 something. Service been crappy. Place is a dump. Yeah, it's crazy. So my cousin, he was stationed in the military somewhere over there in DC. And he was telling me some things about that too. So the new plan, you can't pass in quicker than 4 days, which I'm going to read the rules. And after the stream, I'll probably get a recorded video, get me some Chipotle, record the video, and I'll give you guys all the information about it. I think it cost me $126. I think it was. I don't know. It was like a big jack. I mean, he had a badge and stuff on. I don't know if it was TSA or whatever. I mean, I was younger, but this is probably back in, this is before 9/11. This is probably back in 98-ish, 1998, roughly when that happened. So before the invention of the iPhone and AirPods and all that stuff. I had the old style headphones. Yeah, which I'm fine with. Hey, I'm fine with that. 30%, 4 days. Hey, slow and steady is better. I really think it was airport police, but I don't know. It's so long ago. I don't know. This other guy he was a big guy. The video is lagging my voice. Does anybody else see the video lagging my voice? It shouldn't, but all good there. All right. It's a new webcam I have up, so I don't know. Did for a second. Yeah, I still gotta go in the webcam settings. I just plug and played and let it rip. Let it rip. All right, hey, I think about closing out this NASDAQ short. This is the one I started last night for the overnight trade. You see we're coming towards the deviation bands. So let's go ahead. $600, I'll take it. Oh, you don't want to give me 600? See if it goes. Let's see if it goes down just a little bit more. I'll get out early if I can get 600 out of it. If they don't want to give me 600, then screw it. They're not getting my order. They're not going to get my order then. I look like I'm AI. I don't know. I just plug and played the camera. I have no idea. I didn't change no settings. I don't even know where to go to change them at yet. Oh. Short at 53. Wow. A little support here. Hopefully not. I need to go lower so I can get out of that micros. All right, let me draw the white line there. I'm at entry. Just in case I don't get them all out. Left the short intact. I haven't got out of it yet. I'm still in it. Pretty good little smack down, but look, we're right there at the bottom. If you look at the volume profile, right? We're coming back down towards the lower end of the D. Look, you can kind of see it now. We were talking about this last night in the stream. I said, expect today to be a D-shaped profile, or at least we'll see what happens in the afternoon, but the early mornings, overnight and over morning, I expect this to be a D-shaped profile. And I do think we'll probe a little bit lower, and this will just end up being a larger D-shaped profile throughout the day. So we're coming up on the overnight low. Let's see if we can take it. Yes. Let's see if we'll make it back down there. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. So let's get it. Yeah, hey, Rick, I couldn't find it either. I couldn't find Lucid 50% off either. I looked, I couldn't see it. I think Raj mentioned it yesterday, but I couldn't find it. I look forward after the stream. Oh, wrong alert. Rob's been getting everybody all excited. Lucid 50% off. Woo! Gotta go get it. My friend texts me, goes, "Hey, I used your code. It didn't give me 50% off." I was like, I don't know. I went and looked for it. I couldn't find it either. Hey, we all make mistakes. It's all good. I make mistakes all the time. Look at all the trades I placed yesterday. I made a lot of mistakes yesterday. After the stream, it was a dumpster fire. All right, we gotta let me out. Come on down. Yeah, I feel way better about today than yesterday. I'll tell you that. Yesterday, I was going through it. Yeah, best price at the moment, code Mike, for sure. Let's see where we gotta go. Hey, good morning. Watching for a bounce here. I want us to go down a little bit more. I kind of want to get out of my micro short that I started last night, my overnight trade. I'm still in. So let's do it. $29,908 upside target. Whoa. Raj, why are we talking about upside targets while I'm short? What are you doing? Raj, you're gonna get me to start switching over here. Start having flashbacks of yesterday. Yeah, better on the daily opening price. Yeah, I'm just giving you a hard time, Raj. I'm not upset about it. I never get upset if someone has a different opinion than I do, or a different wish of what the market wants to do. I think we're gonna sweep the overnight lows though. Which, if we look, where's the overnight low? I do got it. 776. Today's not good. Yesterday was not good for me. We all have those days. Like, some people do really well in market conditions like yesterday where it only goes one direction. I typically do better in days where we go up, we go down. So let's see. All right, short term, we got to be overbought here. We got a red trade detector bubble. Let's see if they start getting rewarded here. The sellers start getting rewarded. Progression channel still sloping down. Oh, T-Coop just sent the video. I'm gonna watch it. I mean, I traded without a stop loss part of yesterday at lunch. Not advised. That trade did not work out in my favor. I definitely was not stopped out while I was at lunch. It's probably gonna get me. Got me on that one. You sorry piece of crap. How do you stop me out and then... then went my direction. Stop me out, then went my direction. Come on. It's not want to break down. Ew. They're not going to reward those sellers. Yeah, got me. Got me. Stupid market. Yeah, no news yet. Hey, but a deal is any hour. That's what they said yesterday, right? Any hour. Any hour we could be hearing about a deal. Yeah, you could. Didn't say you will. Said you could. It's like you could be a millionaire in the next minute. Could doesn't mean you will. Or any minute. And then in any minute you could be a millionaire. It's imminent. You're like, well, when's that minute gonna come? When's it gonna get here? Oh, we just said it could. We didn't say you would. Just like the news, we may have a deal. I think we're gonna go into the weekend, and I don't know. The only thing that has me a little bit concerned is the removing the sanctions. I don't know about that. Yeah, we're just chopping. Chop, 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 chop. Got the little chop fest going. A little D-shaped profile. Probed up a little bit today. We need to probe a little bit lower. We need to probe a little bit lower. Yeah, Baron has to get positioned first. All right, the regression channel is still facing down pretty steep here. Is it going to drop it down? Is it going to drop it down? Maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. I went ahead and shorted it. Let's see. I'm going to try to see if we can get a push here. I'm just going to trail it. Trail it. All right. All right. Still ended up being a win. I was going to try to trail it, see if I can get a bigger move instead of letting it, come all the way back on me. Hey, Rapid, what's up? Yes, never wants to go down. Oh, yes, down a little bit. Where's the yes at today? Yes. See, I'm looking all over. Like, where's my watch list? Yes is up 27 right now, but I'm trying to come down. You sorry piece of crap. Oh, you're saying report card? Where do I got X? I don't have X up. Fantastic. All right, slacking. Oh man, Rapid, good deal. Let's go look at Rapids real quick. Yeah. Wow, killing it. Holy smokes. Woo. Hey, good deal, Rapid. Hey, what accounts are those? Man, that's a fantastic. Hey, look at the options flow data too. Options flow data screaming to the downside. I say scream, but down pretty good. Exact opposite of what we had yesterday. All right, let's go back and look at the micros. We'll peel one off. Peel the other one off. Keep my finger on the close button. Close it. There we go. So basically the overnight trade worked out. Had DCA 1 into it this morning and 1 after things got started. Beginning of the stream, I added 1 to it. So yeah. Where's crude at? Crude's down 64 cents. Gold's up 145 points, dollars. However you want to look at it. ES is up 22. Yeah, ES is trying to come down here a little bit. We are below the VWAP right now. And 9 count on the 5 minute on the NASDAQ. Got a little bounce from that. Yeah, VIX dropping. It's funny earlier. Markets go up, VIX goes up. Yeah, VIX is down for the day now. Market starts coming down, VIX like, let's go down with it. Whoa, what just happened there? You guys get that? You guys have that in the VIX? What is that all about? Hey, I gotta go check on. Let's go check that real quick. I want to see if Thinkorswim has the same thing. I don't think so, because look, we're over here just spinning. We'll check though. No, hey, it's like that. I got it on Thinkorswim as well. Holy crap. I started making fun of the VIX, then boop. It took its little blue pill. It said, let's go. Hey, we have two trade detector bubbles down here near the lower deviation bands. Come up on the second deviation band with VWAP. Yeah, that was the VIX. So we were just saying, oh, look, the VIX is going down when the market's going down. Right when I finished that statement, bink. So I double checked on Thinkorswim and it's showing it too. So I was like, what's going on there? What is going on there? Yeah, it's nuts. They're listening. They are listening. So maybe I gotta do some reverse psychology. When I want to go long, I need to tell the market, yeah, I'm really looking for a short here. Wink, wink. So you guys seeing me on the webcam, you see me wink, you know, I mean the opposite. So it's kind of weird, but you know, we did have the options flow data going down. Look, it's still going down. See, the options flow is still screaming to the downside. At least for the time being. We'll see if it keeps that up. So that makes me want to favor the downside until that can turn around. Check. I don't see anything on financial juice. I'm seeing the thing about BB and Trump. That came out at 10:43. That's 13 minutes ago. I kind of feel like that VIX might be a bad tick, but it's a bad tick across the board. Yeah, look, right back down here. Look, right back down there. It's just a bad tick. And it was a bad tick on Thinkorswim as well. So the data providers got a bad tick. Hey, but hey, we know what happens when we get bad ticks, right? How many times have we seen a bad tick in the market, stock, index, whatever? You see this big stupid wick. We end up going back and hitting that wick. So if we see the VIX go back up there, we know somebody already knows something. So we'll see if it goes back up there. I'm going to actually mark this off just in case they get rid of that bad tick so we can see where it was. It's kind of funny how that works out in the past. Like I said, we do have some trade detector bubbles down here. So VXN real time. I do on Thinkorswim. I can get on Thinkorswim real time. Look, so we're trying to bounce off that second deviation band and all the trade detector bubbles. They're trying to smack it back up. Up. Let's see if they can push it back down. Huh. Oh. I didn't realize it. Fantastic. So I made $320 in my new MFF accounts. Hit target. I was looking for them. So there you go, right there. 320 the new accounts. I just purchased while we're on stream, that rapid EOD. Huh, I thought I was going for a bigger target. I wonder why I couldn't find that. Interesting. Oh, we're at 77.83. Wow. I didn't realize that S&P dropped as much as it did. Is my market analyzer? Yeah, it's still moving. Something's jacked up on my market analyzer. Hey, market analyzer shows the ES still up 20 points. Hold up. Hold up. Let's go see ES over here. What do we got the ES up? ES over here shows 47 points. All right, let's go for Thinkorswim for the tiebreaker. Thinkorswim, what do we got? ES 21 points. All right. So why does this show 47? Oh, they're trying to play games on us. They're trying to get us. Uh-oh. You know what that means? Where's the likes at? We did not hit the 300 like mark today. Man, you guys really don't want to win an account. You guys don't want to get the duck races going. So we're going to push the duck race to tonight's live stream. See if we can hit the like counter tonight. Oh boy. Oh boy. So what do we say that max I can make in this account? Let's go look in the new accounts. What's the max? The target's 3,000. The quickest you can pass is 4 days. 750. Let's just see something. Times 0.30. All right. 750. That'll definitely keep me within. But if there's a 30% consistency, I can really make 900. But I'm not in a hurry to pass them. If I pass them, I pass them quick. If not, no big deal. That's what I think I will do. Oh, hey, Iran's foreign minister spokesperson, the geographic characteristics of the route in the Straits of Hormuz are agreed by Iran and Oman. Huh. Okay. So what did I say was up today? 320. All right, so I want to go look at this volume profile real quick. Let's go looky. So I still think there's a shot we come down towards 57. 57? I like that. I like that a lot. Let's see if we can get down to 57 some point today. Yeah, pay 200. Don't pass go. Yeah, oil's down. Wow, that's a good eye. Oil's down $1.14. Let's go look at oil real quick. Watch Iran come out and say, well, it was Iran's foreign minister. But watch it come out. We did not agree on nothing. There's oil right now. Oil's coming down. Not back at the session lows yet. Getting close. Not quite down there yet. So let's get it. Hey, is anybody seeing Jesse in the chat today? I haven't seen him. Hopefully he's doing all right. Oh, he said he had to go to the airport. Last night he said he had to go to the airport. This morning. I forgot about that. We still got the VIX down 11. Hey, no worries. What's up? Good morning. Come on. I really, I gotta not be, let's not get greedy here. I was like, I really like to get 3K, get some revenge from yesterday, but can't think that way either. I gotta be careful. We got to be careful. That's not the screen I wanted. I'm telling you, trying to figure out where I have all these screens is like, I'm a hot mess right now. I can't wait till I get everything. I know, oh, my eyes go right there. I got to trade my eyes where to go. So I'll probably be doing market replay quite a bit. SpaceX to exclusively use NVIDIA. Oh, tell you what, man, I'm getting hungry for some Chipotle. Let's see what the wife said. She says, okay, all right, sweet. So Chipotle it is. They better have my burritos today. I don't want another bowl. I want a burrito. Let's go. Let's go. 70 to... Nice. $70 more to pass. Neo, you got this. You got it. NQ long scalp. I don't know. So we came down to the deviation bands. I like that. But I just don't like the fact that we look right here. I think we want to go towards this white line right around 750. That was my target from last night on the overnight trade. Yeah, extra lettuce and guac. Hey, mine's simple. I'm a picky eater, so I don't. You guys be like, what are you doing? I don't put nothing on mine. I just go through the line and say, yes, I want a burrito. You want brown or white rice? No rice. What do you want for protein? None. Veggies? None. Just get a tortilla wrapped up. Yeah, I don't get lettuce on my stuff, so I'm good. When I go out, I don't get lettuce. I worked at fast food places when I was a teenager. I'm like, I don't like that lettuce. So I can't do it. Oh, our copy group. Yeah, I've never copy traded through Tradeovate like that. No, I do. I get protein. I get the chicken. I was just making a joke. I get chicken, but I mean, I do get mine plain. So here's a funny thing. So at work, because I'm not very adventurous when it comes to food, like daring things, adrenaline stuff. Hey, I'm all about it. But food, I'm like, I don't really know. I don't think I want to do that. And guys at work were trying to get me. They're going to Chipotle for lunch. I'm like, oh, I'm not going there. I don't like it. I said, you ever been there? It's like, no. But I said, I don't like it. I'd never, ever been there. Never tried it. But so the one guy goes, come on, I'll buy you lunch. You don't even have to pay me for it. I'll buy you lunch. If you like it, you can pay me back. If not, no worries. It's like, I don't want to. Come on, man. Just go to lunch with us. All right. So I went to lunch. I was like, what do they even have? So I was getting carnitas back then. And it was pretty good. It was decent. And then they had that, I don't know, they're out of. So then I started eating, I tried chicken. I didn't want to try it, but I ended up trying it. I was like, this is amazing. Then I really liked Chipotle after I ate the chicken. Oh no, they have Church's chicken here, Neo. They got him here. I'll tell you who has the best chicken in Florida, though. I think Publix. Publix has the best chicken. If Publix had their own like fast food spot with a chicken, oh man, they kill it. It was gonna be we had to get 300 likes by 11 o'clock. We already passed that. The chat did not get the likes. Boom, boom, boom. So we'll try again tonight. I'll be streaming I'll have the stream set for 8:30. I'm probably gonna come on closer to 8 o'clock. I try to be on at 8 o'clock. I just set it up. Hey, Long John Silver's was my second job I ever had. So you guys heard me tell the story. I left McDonald's, making minimum wage, $4.25, to go work at Long John Silver's. I didn't never said the name of the place, but Long John Silver's to make an extra 10 cents an hour. I got to work with my friend. It's funny. I quit my job. So I already put my notice in at McDonald's and I'm in the transition. I'm going to start the new job in just a day and the place gets robbed. It's like, oh man. Hey, John, I like the Publix chicken tender sub. That's pretty good too. But it got robbed. I was like, oh, great. I'm quitting McDonald's to go to a place that just got robbed. Fantastic. My friend was actually cooking behind the thing when it happened. They came up. He's like, you need some chicken? I used to always cook extra chicken because sometimes we get a rush. So I was always stacked ahead and then I could just eat it. I don't know. I haven't been. Oh, it is. Long John Silver's still around, but I haven't been there in forever. Forever and ever. Ever. Oh, you know what? Hey, I said Church's chicken, Neo. I think I was thinking of Popeyes. I don't think I've seen a Church's chicken. I think I was thinking of Popeyes. Popeyes is it says Louisiana, whatever on the sign. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, I was thinking Popeyes when I said Church's. I don't know. I've ate at a Church's chicken down here. Was hiring. PA is terrible today. I don't know. I like it. I like the ups and downs. Way better than yesterday. The one directional stuff I can't deal with. The back and forth I can deal with. I'm just trying to space my trades out. I'm trying not to trade too much. We see how that worked out for me yesterday. Not so good. Not too good. Ew. Still think I want some revenge on London. So once I get all situated and everything going, I think I'm going to end up doing a couple of London streams, at least for a week or two, just to see if I can defeat London. I've never been able to do it. Back in the earlier days when I was wanting to be a full-time trader, quit my job, get a couple runs at it, and didn't work out for me. So yeah, there we go. There we goes. About smacking it. Tell you who else has some good chicken I like. I don't know if you guys have it where you're at, but Mission Barbecue. You guys ever eaten there? Their pulled chicken sandwich is pretty good. I likes it a lot. Yeah, I'm really thinking about smacking this. I almost did. Did not do it. I thought about it. Stupid meeting. Hey, Paul, you got to tell your work. Hey, they got to schedule a meeting after hours. Like between 5 and 6 o'clock only. You love Mission Barbecue? Yeah, I like it too. So, hey, so I probably never would have ate there, but at work, it got catered in one time. I was like, what is this? I was really hungry. I was like, I can eat chicken. I can always eat chicken. I like chicken. So I was like, this is amazing. So pretty good stuff. I'm making you hungry. Hey, I'm getting ready. I'm going to go to lunch. I'll be going to lunch shortly. So I'm working up my appetite. 18. Wow. Hey, Paul, that's a good job. Hey, Paul, what's the target on that? 300K, right? Not 350. Is it 300K? Think about smacking this. Dog it. I was hoping I was going to go back to EMAs. I was going to smack it. Oh, 250. 250. All right. Yeah, 15K. Yeah, some people really like those higher dollar accounts. I don't have, hey, Paul, I don't have those charts set up yet. I'm still trying to get everything situated exactly like I want it. I'm gonna play with it some more after lunch today, because I'm still like looking over to figure out where is this at. I got Bookmap on the ends. I had them bigger, but I ended up making them smaller so I could see the VWAP bands right there in front of my eyes. And I got a secondary 30-minute volume profile. So right on the chart that you guys are seeing, I have a 30-minute volume profile just up here to the right. And at the bottom, I have the VWAP bands, just so I can get a reference point where we are in the markets. So. Man, hiccups. 38 TPN. Nice. Nice. Darn hiccups. I'm hesitating today a lot. I was really wanting to short it. I'm hesitating. I'm having flashbacks of yesterday. We're not getting back in the EMAs. Dang it. I really want to smack it. Smack it real good. T-Paying 805. Nice. Think you're going to get it, Neo. I think you're going to get it. I'm rooting for you. I think you got this. There you go. There you go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. At least somebody will take advantage of the move down since I missed it. Ah, there you go. You got it. 805. Hey, look at oil. Oil is only down 15 cents. Let's go look at that real quick. Let me get those shirts back up. Hey, let's go looky. CL. Crude oil is on the move up. What's going on there? Is the VIX going to be on its move up to get that spike? Kind of curious. I'm going to leave that on there. We'll revisit that conversation tonight and see if we ever did make it up there. Yeah, I think no deal. Probably a smart choice. What is... Everything hot enough. There we go. No, I only got 3, Rick. I don't know if we could only get 3 accounts, so I got 3. I bought 3 of them. I'm pretty happy with them right now. So I got closed profit of $320. I'm up another $140 in the trade I'm in right now in them. So trying to see if I can get the ES down towards here, down towards this mines development area we're talking about. Come on. Just a little bit more. You joker. TV'd out. Nice. Hey, good job on that. Now I will. I mean, the good news. So if we look at the Take Profit Trader accounts, they smashed it today too. Up $4,200, but I blew those up yesterday. So these are only evals, day number 1. Those are some of the accounts that got blown up yesterday. That really ticks me off. Those in MFF got blown up yesterday. So it is what it is, though. I mean, it happens. Unfortunately. That's weird. Let's see if we're going to bouncy bounce. We almost got into that area. Look, we came close to that minus development area. Very close. I gotta change the color of that line. I don't like the color. I'm trying to get the pink lines back, but that's not where it's at yet. Yeah, maybe I need that yellow. A little bright though. Stands out more than the pink area. And now it doesn't even look pink. That's the zone I like over here on the S&P. On the NASDAQ, look, we almost hit the white line we were talking about all morning. This was actually the target from last night's overnight trade that I talked about last night as well. Said that for about an hour. What happened? I don't see any major news that has come out. No, gold's up 166. Gold's up 4%. Gold's what we should have been trading. Like last night, kind of kicking myself. I wasn't trying to trade gold. So, you wonder why you feel like a chicken? Yeah, I'm feeling a little bit like a chicken today too. So I usually don't have a fear of placing trades, but after the trauma I went through yesterday, I'm like, I don't know if I want to do that again. I'm more worried about it happening, multiple day roll event. That's where it gets ugly. One day, no big deal. Multiple days, you do some damage. Because eventually you're not gonna have one of those, you're not gonna be able to come back. You're gonna do some damage to your account. You're not gonna get the monies back. Think about trying to short this. Oh, it didn't work. I was going to try to just trail the trade down, but it didn't go down for me. So that's a problem. Hey, I'm hungry right now, Neo. We were also talking about food not so long ago, so probably is not helping the food cravings. So I like to be able to get into a little runner where I can just keep trailing the market. Keep trailing swing points. Got me. They didn't get me for a full loss, but it did get me. Probably started to trail a little bit too soon. Oh, you joker. You joker. I even left that order out there longer than normal. I feel like the EMAs are trying to cross. Let's see if we're going to get it. You mother sucker. You mother sucker. Come on, just drop it. Yeah, got me. Gots me. Let's see what the options flow doing. Options flow is still pretty negative. We look down here and see the options flow is still really, really, really negative. But Didn't help my trade out none. Come on, Joker. Really stops me out. Goes a little bit higher and then goes down. Give the market the middle finger here. And we need to get down. Need to bounce a bounce so I can get it short. Oh, man. Sometimes you gotta stop while you're ahead. I probably should have quit. Trading this. I'm gonna try to take it all the way down here. You see, right by the low of the day. Can we get down there? Make it all worth it for me, please, please, please. Come on, come on. You can do it. You can do it. $600 on that one. That's not bad. Makes up 3 losing trades. A little bit more. We have the opening price down here at 777. I gotta at least move my stop in the money. I don't want to. I'm already up way too much on this trade, so not to get anything out of it's gonna irritate me. What irritate me even more is if I lose. So let's try to at least protect one element of that. If I see 800, I'll probably take it. Maybe. I'll just take it. I want to get back to session highs. I want to be back at session highs, and I'm not there yet. I wanted to get there. Not there yet. So. Still think ES is trying to work its way towards the minus development area. We're not there yet. And the NASDAQ, it almost hit the minus development price point. We didn't get there. We break that one. Then I'm looking all the way down here at 605 on the NASDAQ. So we'll see if we get there. Maybe, maybe not. Streaming you out? Oh, stressing you out. Yesterday I was stressed out. Today I'm not stressed. I feel good today. Other I'm just trying to figure out where all my charts and stuff are. Like, I'm gonna have to move some things around still. Really just trying to get trading the P&L a little bit. Not good. Trying to get back to session highs. Options flow just made a new low for the day. See, I don't like that we didn't get the follow through. I thought about closing the trade out right down here. I just didn't do it. All day yesterday and kind of all night. In a sense. I really want down by a low of the day. Or the opening price. That'd be nice. That would be a nice trade. I'll take that. Thank you very much. I think that does put me at session highs. But now it's like another 182. And I could probably hit 3K, assuming I don't get a losing trade in between. Let's go look at the ES. ES just hit our zone, maybe. Not yet. Coming close. Not there yet. We look back at the options flow data. You see, we just keep making new lows. Options flow is still going lower. What did Israel say? Several Gulf countries hold talks on alternative oil and gas export routes, bypassing Strait of Hormuz and the I can't say that word. Huh. All right, let's break it on down. Break it on down. Let's go. I need a little bit more. Just a wee little bit. We're all at 800. Hey, Paul, I don't see a big order at 800. I don't see it. I don't say it's not there. I don't see it. What are you looking at? Oh, it happened earlier. So if you look on the NASDAQ, it's kind of funny. We kind of spiked right there at call resistance right here. Whoop, smack back down. We come all the way down to GEX 1. GEX 1's at 700. We might. What's the low of the day? I think it's 763.5 is low of the day. 700 is going to be GEX 1. Let's see, they're going to start trying to rip it now. All right, I took a little bit more, so made another 120 bucks on the MFF accounts. I'm all right with that. Full port long. I don't know. We're at the upper regression channel, but look, it was very steep over here. Now it looks like it's trying to flatten out just a little bit. So are they getting ready to flip the regression channel back up? They might. I want one more trade. I'd like to make about $120. No, $180, $190. I didn't even chase that sucker. Jokers. Joker. Now I'm going to need more than that. Still hear the chirping too. Market pulse is pretty strong. Come on. Come on. Hit the 200 EMA and bounced. Right there. 200 EMA and bounced. Hit it back to VWAP. We might. Hopefully not before hitting my target. There's a second touch of the 200 EMA. It's making me a little bit nervous here. A little bit nervous. There we go. There we go. We got it. Woo. Got it. Got it. Got it. Feel like I got a little revenge back on the market from yesterday. Feeling pretty happy about that. I just gotta figure out. I gotta change where some of my screens are positioned. I definitely got spot gamma taking up way too much space. Way too much. So I gotta figure out how I want to situate everything. Get it situated. Let's go look at ES. What we got for the view up on the ES? Oh, that's way up here. Getting into the deviation bands down here. Yeah, we gotta be careful. Be careful going short down here on the ES. NASDAQ bounced off the deviation band once, twice. You see the regression channel is flattening out more and more. Where am I from? From my mama. From my mama's. I'm from Florida, though. Lived here my whole life. I don't know. Am I from my mama or am I from my daddy? Would it be daddy or mama? Daddy or mama? Yeah, the hero. That's what I was looking at. So that when I look at the options flow right there, that actually is the hero right here. It's inside the trace, but if you wanted to look just at the hero, which you can see right here. You see right here, it's been screaming down, but look earlier today. Look what we had. This works pretty good. Right here, you had the flow. And quite often when that happens, you'll get a bounce in the market. When you get these flow alerts, you get 2 or 3 a day, maybe. Oh, Eric, yeah, you missed all the good stuff. I don't know if I got a Twain. I joke around a lot. So most of what you hear in my voice is probably me joking. If you knew me, I'm quite the prankster. So if you didn't know me on a personal basis, I play a lot of pranks on people. I like to joke around. If I'm not joking with you, I probably don't like you. If I don't talk to you, it don't mean I don't like you. I'm just an introvert. So if I don't know you, I probably won't talk to you. Which is funny because I'm on TV. I'm on YouTube in front of a camera, which my family still cannot believe I'm on a camera, because when I was a kid, they break out the camera, I'd go run and hide. Hide, get out of here. They don't have a lot of pictures of me growing up. I mean, my mom does, but majority of my family does not. Family functions and stuff, bust out the camera, I'm gone. I'm out of here. Throw up the deuces and I'm gone. Oh, Eric, I really am. I promise you. I promise. I promise you I am. I have no problem being somewhere all by myself. Hey, look, I went to Costa Rica all by myself. I'm good. Think about it. You get to have all the conversations. You only talk about what you want to talk about. It's perfect. So now I bought it. So I had my PC. I picked out everything I wanted in it, but I didn't put it together. I probably could, but I didn't do it. I've helped friends and stuff replace parts in their PCs. My dad got a new PC, and the chip that I bought this computer with is a 12900K. When the 13900K came out a few months later, I bought it and put it in this computer, and my dad got a motherboard, and we all set it all up and everything. Nah, I promise I'm truly an introvert. If I know you, hey, I'll act goofy and stupid all day and talk to you, but if I don't know you, I probably won't talk to you. It's not because I don't want to talk to you. I don't know what you're interested in, and I'm not very good at starting a conversation, so I'm fine with it. So now if you were out in public and I listened and I thought I heard you talk about trading, I'd be like, then I may, if I heard you talk about trading, then I'll probably go talk to you, because then I know we have something in common. I'm very passionate about trading, but other than that, probably not. Eric says, I'll talk to a rock. No, hey, Tris, we didn't get the 300 likes before 11 o'clock. Actually, we didn't even get 300 likes yet. Hey, and we've had 2,800 people through the stream. So shame, 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 shame. So we're going to take that same giveaway, push it to tonight's live stream. So tonight, if we hit the like counter tonight, we'll be doing a giveaway. At night, I think last night we had the like counter at 250. And we ended up with 230, I think. What's my zodiac sign? Hey, what do you think my zodiac sign is? I told this story on stream before. It's pretty funny. Pretty funny. Man, I want to short the market again. I want to add to this my P&L on these MFF accounts. So my zodiac sign is a Cancer. I remember when I was a kid, my mom would read the horoscopes or see a horoscope thing. I was like, oh, what's my sign? She said Cancer. I went bald. I thought that meant I was going to get cancer and die. The whole night, man, I was a wreck. I still remember it to this day. I don't know how old I was. I was a little kid. And I was like, oh, man, I'm going to die. Cried all night long. She's like, no, it doesn't mean you're going to get cancer. I was like, yes, it does. Oh man. Oh, you're June? Oh, I'm July. I'm in July, baby. It was funny. The innocence of kids. But what's a zodiac sign? It's that little thing. All right, I still want to short the MFF accounts again, but they're up 440. Do I really want to take another trade? Do I really want to take it? Let's go. Let's go look. Let's go look. Is it worth it? There's not a lot of meat left on this trade that I was looking for. You know, we're talking 58, 56. Watch, it's gonna go down there now. Oh, not enough meat for you? Boop. It's gonna go down. Hey, so I have a friend. The guy that arm wrestles, he's actually half black, half white. He went to Costa Rica with me last trip. But it's funny. So at work, there's a Mexican guy that worked right next to me. He goes, he said he heard both the guys talking Spanish. Well, the one guy that got hired the same time as him, they were friends, was Puerto Rican. He goes, yeah. I said, they're both Spanish? He goes, yeah, I heard him speaking Spanish. And somebody else in the shop goes, hey, what's up with the Argentina guys that you got in your group? I said, from Argentina? It's like, man, they both look Puerto Rican, but I was like, I don't think they're from Argentina. So I went up and asked him, I was like, hey, where are you from? He goes, I'm from here. I was like, no, I meant what? I said, I'm not racist. I'm trying to just debunk what somebody else said in the shop. So I said, what race are you? He goes, it's a funny story. He goes, up until I was 13, I thought I was half Puerto Rican and half white. And then I met my dad at 13 and realized I'm half black, half white. He said in school, he used to wear the Puerto Rican and beads and stuff because his stepdad was Puerto Rican. And he thought that was his dad for a long time. So he had the Puerto Rican beads and everything he wore. And he wasn't Puerto Rican. But he looks Puerto Rican. So if we ever go out, he has like a Puerto Rican face. And, you know, I don't know. But Spanish people come up to him and be like, da, 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 da. He goes, what? Nicest guy you ever meet. Which I gotta text him. He was texting me. He wants to do lunch, but I don't know. Him and I's personality. We cannot talk for a little bit. Meet again. We can just like we never left off. Great person. Like I could give him the keys to my house and not worry about him touching anything. He'd make sure nobody would mess with anything. Like I don't know. He's funny though. Funny, funny, funny. But when he told me that, I was cracking up laughing. Not you. I was wearing the Puerto Rican beads and everything, and come to find out he's not Puerto Rican. Yeah, I know. I know Puerto Rican is not a nationality, but he looked like he was from Puerto Rico. The guy that got hired with him that he was like best friends with, that guy is Puerto Rican. Like he's from Puerto Rico, like from Puerto. He moved over here from Puerto Rico. So, hey, there was another guy that worked with us for a little bit. He was from Ecuador, and he came to work with us. He comes over and asks me, he goes, "Hey, do you got any magic zipper?" I was like, "What the heck is magic zipper?" I was like, I don't know what you're talking about. What is magic zipper? Hey, do you guys know what magic zipper is? What do you guys think? What is magic zipper? You guys might know. I didn't know. I was like, what are we talking about? Magic zipper. Any ideas? What is magic zipper? Hey, so Velcro. He needed Velcro, magic zipper, because like some pants, I guess, have Velcro instead of a zipper. So they call it magic zipper. I never heard of that before. When he told me, I was like, kind of makes sense. But when he first came to me, I was like, magic zipper. Cause I'm thinking like cars. I'm like, magic zipper to fix a car. What's going on here? So that guy was a hard worker too. I tell you what, he was a hard worker. He was a very hard worker. I'm sad to see him go. But I guess his family was moving out of the area. They moved in the area, maybe stayed here about a year. Decided they wanted to go back home. So, it was funny though. Let's see, are we going to break this low? Look, we still have the deviation bands right down below us. What time is it? 11:46. Yeah, probably not going to place another trade, honestly. My stomach's saying, Chipotle, feed me, feed me. So I want some Chipotle. Seeing Jesse in the chat. Hey, Jesse, how's it going? Are you back yet? You back home or are you still driving? Yeah, well, I think today's going to be a D-shaped profile. I've been saying that since last night. And if we look at the volume profile shapes so far, kind of looks like a D-shaped profile. Oh, Jesse's on the West Coast. So when I used to stream at night, I used to only stream at night, like 8:30 to 10 o'clock. He used to come on the stream every night. We just became friends. Like I've never met him in person. But I talk to him like all the time. Yeah, California. So. Missile attack in Bahrain. Well, you know, I don't know if that's that credible or the market's not caring about it. Because if you look at crude oil, VIX is still going down. If we look at crude oil is not really rocketing. A little blip, but that's not nothing. Don't eat the jalapenos? Yeah, I won't. I don't eat the jalapenos. Market's completely fraudulent. Hey, it's funny you say that because my friend. Oh, where's my phone? Watch. It's funny you put that in there. Oh, let me see if I can find it. Oh, where did he put it at? I can't find it now. Oh. Yeah, he texted me yesterday, 147. These markets are fraudulent. Oh, man. Too much fun. Too much fun. I need to get me some Chipotle. If you guys haven't yet, smash that lucky like button. Don't forget, I stream live. They'll say 8:30 tonight, but wink, wink. I'll probably be on around 8 o'clock. Latest 8:15. I'll probably be on the mic by, but other streams set and say I'll be starting at 8:30. just give me a little leeway as put the daughter to bed and get stuff taken care of around here. So no, hey, Charles, I have not. It'll probably be another day or two before I'll be able to get those accounts. I have not forgot about you. Oh, you and one other person. So I have not forgot about you. Trust me, I don't like owing people something. It's like, I don't like it. So I didn't forget. But hey, definitely remind me when you hear me talk about the Lucid giveaways that we'll have coming up. Make sure you remind me. That way, just I don't get caught up in the mix and forget. I don't want to. So yeah, I didn't forget you either. Did not forget. I got your email saved, but look, I'm even gonna take another screenshot. It's not the screenshot I wanted. I'll take another screenshot even. You guys are right next to each other. Bam. There we go. So we all good. So with that being said, I'm out of here. Hopefully you guys will join me tonight. See if we can get one more like. Can we get one more like before I jump off? Put a big smile on my face. So. What a fee for the straight. All right. I'll congrats you guys. Got some 300 likes. I appreciate that. So tonight, join me on the live stream. We're going to try to give that Take Profit Trader account giveaway tonight. So smash it. Appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you guys this evening. Take care.